Good morning. Let it go. What it do, Thanos? Yo, Thanos. That fucking. How long you been in Ripple for? I have a little bit of Ripple. Definitely not one of my major holdings at all. I was very upset that it was about to be one of my major holdings or semi-major holdings, and it wasn't because I've been averaging down on all my crypto positions. Besides, like fucking a few in Ripples and within one of those few. But Ripple beating the SEC and that fucking lawsuit that was happening definitely should start pumping all cryptos, brother. I feel like all cryptos are gonna start pumping pretty soon. Ooh. So whoever caught the bottom of the market, whoever's invested in crypto and they have a good average in, if you have a good average price in all your investments and you kept on buying the dips, man, you should be doing good. Guys, besides this beautiful little pattern that we have going on GJ right there, quick little analysis that I've been seeing the whole time is this downwards. It's a descending channel, more of a wedge. It's this descending channel that we have right here. It was broke, retested. I actually took an entry here. I took a very small position, but profited like 50 pips. And yeah, look, this is the break and retest of resistance, which was resistance was right here. Now resistance is support. Hopefully it's as clear. I'll draw it out perfectly just so you guys understand. This is resistance that we broke out of that resistance, right? This was actually a fib short for everybody who thought we were going to keep on going short. If you can see, this was the 0618 rejection. We faked out 0618 rejection to just break this. So that means that this is not a bearish trend anymore. Why? Because the fib got disrespected towards the downside. So fib got disrespected towards the downside, which means we have bullish momentum. This bullish momentum also, you guys could see this little pattern. This is a shoulder, head, and shoulder. So upside down head and shoulders. I'm going to clean my chart out real quick and then just draw that one out. So upside down head and shoulders. So price action with that bullish push, we basically broke this is a lower high. We basically broke this lower high with this momentum right here, right? So bearish structure got broken. So that is one indication of we should start going long on GJ, right? What is another indication? That little upside down head and shoulders that we see. This is the hourly time frame. This is how it looks on the hourly. So you could still possibly play out. We could come in and make another shoulder. See, this has like two shoulders. Head and shoulders don't always have to be picture perfect. Like, it's just the concept of it that we need to understand. And what is the concept? The concept is that it's a down channel, side channel, up channel. That's exactly what a upside down head and shoulders is. So once you understand that concept, you'll be able to start anticipating those market structures a little bit. I like anticipating it before. A lot of people think that you need to start taking the upside down head and shoulders break of the neck. This is the break of the neck. You would have taken a buy here, you would have gotten clapped, right? I don't take the break of the necks. I actually have a reel on my Instagram where I'm explaining what I'm doing. It's one of my first reels ever. And it's basically, once I anticipate that there's a shoulder, and then there's a potential head. What is this shoulder, potential head market structure? What that is basically a liquidity grab, right? It's price in the middle of a range. Price is in the middle of a range, right? Erase everything that's to the right hand side. Like imagine like that's not there, right? Price is in the middle of a range, and then it drops drastically, and then it recovers and comes back into the range, right? You could consider the range being also this. You see, it doesn't have to be picture perfect, but that could be the range right there. So that's all a liquidity grab is. I mean, that's all the head of a shoulder is. It's just basically a liquidity grab of a range. I don't know if you guys ever noticed that, but this is a range right here, right? Price drops beneath the range, triggers a whole bunch of people, comes back into the range. That is what the head of like the head and shoulders is. So these shoulders are just higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. Then there's a liquidity grab of the range. This is the range. Comes back into the range, and then it starts doing the same momentum upwards. So that's the same thing as a down channel, side channel, up channel. See, it's just the way you look at the market. These are all the same things. And so also, we have the confirmations of how we start looking at price, and we see, look how the 50 SMA, right? The 50 SMA, when the 50 SMA is above the 8 SMA, right? This is like a little bit more beginner. I'm pretty sure most people in the stream must know this, but red on top is my 50 SMA, right? Just the only way you have to understand these SMA indicators is if the blue has to be beneath, like I'm getting confused with my words. Guys, I'm not even going to explain my SMAs. It's annoying to confuse, but my SMAs are in my favor now, right? The red flipped beneath the blue. 8 SMA is on top of the 50, which means we should be bullish. Right? What else was I going to say? Good morning, guys. Though that was a little bit of quick explanation of what I'm expecting on GJ. Well, of what I see on GJ. What I'm expecting on GJ would be basically we're at resistance right now. The only thing that I was trying to say with this shoulder, if we understand that this is the head, right? I don't like taking a buys at the break of the neck. I like taking it when I anticipate a shoulder. So let's wait for price to come back down, make another shoulder, right? Make another higher. We could start throwing a fib soon if that's a top, maybe catch a 0.618 rejection. Let's wait for price to retrace back into the range, right? We're at the top of a range. We know that whenever we're in a range, I don't like buying at the top of a range, right? We buy low, sell high. So considering this being like a range, we're at the top. I'd buy at the bottom, or I'll buy getting towards the bottom, right? Our SMAs are in our favor in all time frames now. We're moving sideways, potentially going to start moving upwards. So we need to wait for a retracement, try to catch longs. And if we look at the higher time frames, we see the weekly respected the 8 SMA. So our SMAs on our weekly are still very much in our favor. We still have respected for many weeks in a row our 8 SMA, many weeks in a row. So it was a pretty easy anticipation for whoever caught the weekly SMA bounce. The weekly SMA, like the weekly hitting the 8 SMA, was pretty easy to be able to anticipate that we were going to see a major rejection. Because like, man, like look at all this, we weren't respecting it. So potentially now when we're looking at the weekly on GBPJPY, we could potentially see us coming back into this little range that we've been in, right? Which is where price on the weekly acted like it was going to go very bearish to go touch the 8 SMA, rejected it completely. Price rejected where the next week after that, price rejected where the previous weekly closed. Same thing happened on the next week, and now we could be rejecting, like we could close above, like this is Friday, guys, so we have to be focusing on where all the candlesticks going to close. Where's our daily candlestick going to close, right? We look at the daily was very bearish, about to engulf, and now the daily is basically a doji candle. Doji candles for me are continuation candles, right? As we see, bullish candle, doji, continuation, bearish, doji, continuation. See, there it reversed, but look, continuation candle. This is turning into a continuation candle. Now this is the daily candlestick. Let's look at the 4-hour candlestick. The 4-hour candlestick has an hour and 30 minutes until it closes. Right now we're in 25 minutes. So in an hour and 25 minutes, where could this 4-hour candlestick close, right? We're at resistance right here. There's another support right here, right? We're riding above our 8 SMA. As you can see, this is the 4-hour chart, right? We have our 8 SMA. Boom, we engulfed our 8 SMA. Kind of rejected it, but then next candlestick, boom, clearly covered it. And now this is like a little bit of a bullish flag that was happening right here, right? Some 0.618 rejections, and it's confirmations that we're on a bullish trend. This is right here, a bullish trend. Lower low, higher low, well, lowest low, higher low, lower low, higher low, and then yeah, we're supposed to be making a higher high. I feel like I said that wrong, but regardless, you guys understand what the JIP is. So we're in a range right here. Let's wait for price to retrace before we're able to catch longs. I have not read the chat at all, so I apologize to all the people that have said hello and all that. Good morning. Yes, brother. I just had a holding a couple months ago, trying to put more some badges. Oh, what's up? He hit the like. Did the stream just start? The stream, yes, it just did start. Morning dunk is the normal time you always start. This is probably like a little bit, this is like 30 minutes late. This is like 30 minutes after I usually start. What I'm gonna start doing though is I'm gonna start going live with my VIP first, I think, instead of going live after. I prefer to go live with them first. And then, so I'm gonna be usually getting on live stream on YouTube. I'm gonna YouTube live stream every single day, no matter what. Yesterday I didn't live stream because I'm feeling very sick and I just really I didn't have the energy in me. But I will start live streaming around 4 o'clock, 4:30. Well, you guys don't even know Eastern time, so that's like an hour into London session. After an hour and a half into London session, I'll be starting my live stream. Starting Monday, right? Or on Friday. Man, GJ is looking beautiful though. Beautiful. It's forming beautiful market structure. I see us being able to anticipate this perfectly. Yo, we caught this trade with our VIP yesterday. Yo. This is crazy. I passed the verification account with this trade. I risked 1%. And I got to make, well, I closed right when it passed. I was a little bit past. I had to make $5,000. I have to make $5,000. I made like $6,000, $7,000, and then I just closed. Oh, where the hell? This was right before the news hit, but I was in the trade maybe like 20 minutes before the news hit. Price was ranging, we didn't get stopped out. And out of nowhere, news started coming. I saw it started going bullish, and it was fucking insane. So whoever's in the VIP, shout out to if you guys took this trade. It was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, for everybody who's been joining my live stream throughout the week, tell me if you guys not remember on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday how I cried saying gold was going to go long. How I kept on saying, guys, gold is going to end up being a weekly bullish. Guys, gold is going to end up going bullish. Guys, gold is going to end up going bullish. I think it's going to even go even more. Oh my God, Filthy, I haven't added you. And the reason I didn't add you yet, brother, is because I didn't even start a Zoom yesterday with the VIP. And yeah, so I apologize. You're still, yeah, I still have to add you. I apologize. Both people that won the VIP yesterday. How much is your lot entry? My lot entry was a 2.5 lot. Gold looks like it's about to get ready to go long again, boys. Jesus Christ. I kind of want to take gold longs. Why? Just because I know that gold always reacts crazily. Like, I doubt that this candlestick is literally just going to go back. I mean, guys, one's in the chat if you guys like gold longs. Two's in the chat if you guys do not like it. I'm pretty sure that we're going to see a lot of twos, especially as this candlestick is fucking just obliterating downwards. Jesus Christ. Nah, this looks a little too aggressive for us to hop in right now. Currently, maybe we need to wait for that. We're gonna wait for an hourly candlestick close. We got twos, we got ones. What to do, Frank? Frank said two. That means that we should probably stay away from this shit. Jesus, though, is that it's on a 50 SMA and just like look at this support over here and like I guess it, but this looks more of like a wick fill than we only had one rejection, two rejections, but then we had one intent, two intents of going down. This is the third intent. Could this be the third rejection, or could this be the third time it actually tries to break out and actually does it? I like GJ right now more than gold, right? GJ looks pretty clean on what we have to do. Hopefully we get like a big bearish candle that scares out all the buyers so we don't have to hop in and have like a 30 pip stop loss, 40 pip stop loss, because I believe it or not, I throw a lot of 30 pip stop losses, 40 pip stop losses. It's not my favorite thing to throw at all. Guys, this is the reason I could breathe. You see, well, I'm not going to try breathing right now because I probably need to use a little bit more. Y'all know what this is? It's a little spray. Goes like in your nostril. I don't think I'll do one on live stream, especially because I react horrible every time I do it. I start like fucking, shit's like a fucking torture weapon. But it helps you breathe. Drugs. Exactly, drugs. Yeah, the nasal spray. What did it do, Saxy? All right, hourly candlestick closes in 20 minutes, right? This hourly candlestick closes in 20 minutes. It's coming back into the range. Nonetheless, our SMAs are in our favor, so maybe we'll off an 1 hour 8 SMA bounce where we could easily hop into, let's see how many pips. 47 pips to then our 50 SMA. And to the bottom of the range. So potentially, I'd love, this is, man, these candlesticks are huge. How big was this candlestick? 47 pips. No, less. It's like 40 pips. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, let's get some music on. Guys, oh, let me see this. We got 6 likes, bruh? Are you kidding me? 6 likes and 43 people. Let's run this like button up, boys. It helps the algorithm. It literally fucking been pumping our shit. Let me see what I have to do. I'm gonna switch channels here so we don't have to hear advertisement. I'm gonna go to my YouTube Premium. And now after YouTube Premium, we're gonna start off with the song we always start off our stream with. It's like law now that we have to start off the stream with this song every single time. We got Peso on the track. Ooh. Why did my camera go blurry, bro? What the hell just happened? There you go. Sells on GJ. I mean, I like sells more than buys right now. Would I take sells? No, because I mean, yeah, no, unless I was being very aggressive, I wouldn't take sells. I like sells due to the fact that, guys, I never buy whenever we're at resistance. Whenever we're at any level of resistance, whether it's like if this is whether I mean, that would be a pretty bad way to explain it, but this is a resistance. Why? Because this is clearly, like, you know, this is the top of a range, and even if this wasn't here to the left, right? Let's ignore everything that's to the left. This is a resistance right here, 1, 2, and us touching this level right here. I don't want to try to mess around at that level. What I'm trying to do before we get to that level is anticipate, right? So remember, resistance and support and resistance act like magnets. So if this is a magnet and this is a magnet, what I'm expecting price to do once we get down here to this part of the magnet, it's either, all right, we're either going to bounce all the way down here, or we're going to bounce back up to here. So what I've tried doing as my style of trading is anticipating where we're going to move before we get there, right? I anticipate. So if we were at this resistance, right, double top, you know, like I always explain, whenever we're in a range, people start getting mad. We're in a range, and they start saying that they say like, oh, price is ugly, we're in a range. Yo, whenever we're in a range, you're saying it yourself. You know, price is going to stay within the range. Whenever price is at resistance, sell. Whenever price is at a support, buy. So it being at resistance goes against every type of market structure, analysis, anything. Guys, we're taught to buy low, sell high. It's very straightforward. So this is buy low. You buy when price is retracing. You don't buy while price is pumping. It's called buy it's called buy the hype, sell the news. Is that saying said correctly? Like in stocks, buy the hype, sell the news. So it's like buy the hype. Whenever something becomes, then you buy it, and you buy it while it's becoming a hype, you know. And then it's called having a brain. And then is that a lot of people don't understand that concept in trading. Like they see price start, like they understand that they see like a candlestick going towards resistance, and they see it like potentially they're like, oh, they understand the market structure of it being like an upside down head and shoulders, right? But while they see price going upwards, and they're like, oh, we're in the part where price needs to go up, so their brain is thinking, oh shit, price is leaving without me. I need to hop into this candlestick. This candlestick is going bullish. If I don't hop in now, I'm never going to be able to hop in, and it's just going to pump out of nowhere, and they're always expecting a pump. Like, I remember being in that stage of trading where you're always just anticipating. I remember when you're a beginner trader, you're always waiting for your trade to either like fucking fly or die. Like, you think it's gonna do, like your brain thinks it's gonna happen like rapidly. Like, I remember when I was a beginner trader, that was my thought in trading. I was like, oh, when I hop in, it's either gonna, and when it starts going towards my way, it's gonna fucking, if it goes up 20 pips, after the 20 pips, it's gonna fly to 100. That's what I used to think all the time, you know, that type of mindset. And then out of nowhere, you start like taking a lot of trades, you start trading for a long time, you start realizing like, man, so many times where we have a 40 pip stop loss trade, 40 pip take profit one trade, price literally is 5 pips away from our take profit one, we don't end up closing, price literally comes then 10 pips away from my break even, we don't end up breaking even, and then we end up randomly closing at one point, and then it ends up going all the way to TP2, fucking 80 pips into the air 3 hours later, because it just felt like trading is never picture perfect. Trading is very, very random. Like, you could be, this could be look so bullish to us right now for me just giving the most bet like the market structure looks very bullish for me, as in we look like we're at a bottom, weekly is respecting. Guys, this price could easily just out of nowhere start forming some bearish momentum and start breaking lows, maybe fake out a high again, and then out of nowhere just die even stronger to the lower side. Like, that is totally within the realms of being a possibility, right? Us coming down randomly to the weekly SMA again, right? And that just being a fake out, and it just being a very volatile session. You know, this actually ending up to wick fill and engulfing this. That is totally within the realms of being a possibility, guys. Therefore, you know, in trading, you have to always be ready for, like, geez, you talk so quickly. I've heard that before. I need to slow it down. What MA are you using? I'm using my 50 SMA and then my 8 SMA. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yes, sir. Once the news hits, guys, price is gone without you, right? Once the news hits, that's what the saying is: buy the hype, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's like once it's on the news, you can't buy. You can't buy once price is pumping. Once it's pumping, you missed, right? You buy it. This could be considered the hype if we had a stop loss like all the way down here. Stop loss right here. If we had a stop loss right here, and then our take profit was all the way up here. Right, it's like a 70-80 pips stop loss. That's why we're not taking that type of trade. But nonetheless, the person that is taking this type of swing, 175 pips. The person like FX Alex G or Momo that's taking that type of trade is profiting, man. I anticipate that before we hit this low right here, most likely we're gonna come and hit this high, and that would be a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio type shit. So there is a style of trading that is less. Oh no, it's a 1-on-1 almost. But there's a style of trading that exists like this, and man, if this is, some people need to try it out, because some people always be closing too early, selling too early. I at one point in my trading career was trading not like this, maybe not 175 pips, but I was always just setting, like, you know, the trades that just looked valid. Like I'd forget about the pip count, and then I'd still risk 1%. I would calculate, all right, all these pips, it equals $1,000, and so the chance of me getting stopped out and losing $1,000 was always like so low. And but this means that you're not going to be on the chart so actively, and like. And I think people, when they start trading, they want to be on the chart, and they love being on it. Like, this is like a casino to them. People. One thing I know about people is that people are fucking gamblers when it comes to the casino. So when it comes to trading, man, I know the same thing. I know half the people on this stream have already taken 3 trades today. The London session has opened 50 minutes ago. I took 1 trade pre-London session, which was the trade that I posted on my Instagram. I think my VIP channel saw that I was in the trade. It was just a random trade that I took on one of my live accounts. It's actually a lower live account. It's like a fucking 25k. It's my Forex one, 25k, and 2.5 lot. I closed that 1%, more than 1%, 1% for like what my 1% is. But like in my head, yeah. But right now I'm not taking a trade. Why? Because I'm waiting for an hourly candlestick close in 10 minutes. I'm waiting to see what the market, you know, waiting for the news already happened. As in, like, this is what I consider the news. This was the build up. You know, whoever missed out on this trade, now that you're over here at resistance, everybody wants to hop in. That's not how it works. There was a wave that came, and you can't hop in after. Like, you can't hop in after the wave. You can't try to catch the wave either. You try to catch the wave, you're fucked. You have to, like, you know, anticipate the wave. You don't hop in the middle of a wave when you're surfing. You fucking anticipate it, and then you ride it. So if you could be right, if you're still riding this wave, yeah, you don't close, keep on riding it. But if you're trying to hop in on the random wave, you're gonna get wrecked. You're gonna get wrecked. Maybe not wrecked this time, you might get wrecked next time, right? And statistically, you're gonna get wrecked most of the time. So the pump happened. Now we need to wait for price to reset. Maybe if it doesn't come back, man, so if it doesn't come back into the range, or maybe into this area where I do want to take buys, price is gonna leave, right? And if it leaves, we're just gonna have to let it leave, and then we're gonna have to wait for it to come back into our resistance. Once it hits our resistance, then we can try to take our trade, right? That's the concept that I'm saying. I buy low. I buy when price is going downwards, and I anticipate the next high, right? How do you do that? Just by understanding where market structure is actually going. Once you anticipate where market structure is actually going, as in we see that this is our down channel, we have our side channel, and I know that we're going to start anticipating, well, I have a very strong chance feeling that we're going to start anticipating and making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows through like an up channel, right? Upside down, head and shoulders here. Gambling is in everyone's DNA. I agree. We are some greedy humans. It is built into the system. It was built into our system. Gold gonna fly? Oh my god, that was the damn it. Shout out to everybody who buys low-key looking good on gold. Buys were looking good when I told you guys a couple minutes ago, when I was like, guys, when I'm pretty sure that this is the candlestick that I was saying, guys, I'd take a buy right now. Guys, if you like buys, ones in the chat. If you guys like sells, twos in the chat. Whoever put one, you guys not recall that? That was like literally 20 minutes ago. You see perfectly why it's just very basic concept of like fucking understand where the overall market structure is. I go to the weekly, I see the weekly is bullish. I see that this is a bullish candlestick. This is the correction. This is the correction phase right here. right? Correction phase. This was the impulse. This is the correction, right? I clearly see a weekly bullish candlestick followed up by another weekly bullish candlestick. So I'm like, guys, I was like the whole time, I was like, weekly is going to turn bullish. Yeah, we're bullish. We're bullish. Therefore, once we reach the bottom of support, 1, 2, 3 rejections, everyone tries to play out this is the ultimate resistance, we're going to sell, or this is the third time we reach that level of support, we're going to break. Like, no, just ride the trend, guys. If it happens once and it happens twice, might as well, or it happens 3 times, might as well just keep on riding it. As in, if price goes back up and it hits this again, I don't give a fuck if it actually is going to come sell. I'm going to play my statistical chance saying that it's going to go upwards. Why? Because the majority of the time, if I play the right cards like this, statistically, the majority of the time, I'm going to actually get the market structure correct, right? It's a range. Buy low, sell high. So if we come to the top of the range, sell, sell, sell. All those sells would have worked out. So now if we come all the way back up here, and when price actually breaks this resistance, I don't care if I know that I'm bullish. I'm not going to buy at this sell area. It's a little bit of how I trade, boys. It's a little bit of how I trade. We caught this trade on gold, though. This is a sexy trade that we caught with the VIP yesterday on gold. See how I bought when price was dropping downwards. I understand, you know, it's just very simple. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Price was coming downwards and coming downwards for a while. Bearish momentum died out. I was like, guys, we're taking longs on gold. Longs on gold ended up fucking playing out perfectly. Look at that. Fucking, it just flew. News, we were in the trade for like 20 minutes and then I know where the news just flew. Primo says I took buys when you said. Oof, dude, I wish that I was fucking on my aggressive mode like that right now. I am actually not on aggressive mode. I'm actually on the mentality of I'm going to purchase the FTMO account. Should I purchase FTMO or Nations? If I do the Nations, I have to do the verification. I got to do it later. If I do FTMO, there's no, it's unlimited, there's no limit on trading days, right? I could fucking pass it whenever. I'm kind of in the mode that I want to do the FTMO challenge and take the first trade live with you guys. And then the rest is going to be, like I said, for the VIP, where we're going to be passing an FTMO challenge live, sharing with you guys the lot size we're taking, sharing you guys when we enter the trade, sharing you guys when we close the trade, literally being 100% transparent with everything we're doing with the account. And so there's a whole bunch of people that could follow along and pass their account with us. It is something that I've done already. I've done it twice. So I look forward for all the new people who have not done it with me before to be able to be a part of that. I think FTMO did remove the 30 days, right? Pullback on GJ maybe. Yes, sir. That's the pullback that we're waiting for. That's the pullback that we're waiting for. My Forex funds has no max trading days also. I don't know why. I got something against my Forex funds. I have 2 of my Forex funds account up to the moment, but I fucking hate that shit. I fucking hate that shit. I don't know why. I prefer FTMO high key, boys. All right, hourly candlestick is gonna happen in 5 minutes. Pablo, you think my Forex funds is the best? Hands down. All right. I've honestly never had a problem with them, so I guess I'm just hating. My Forex funds is trade remove the time. All right, we should do my Forex funds then. We're doing my Forex funds, boys. All right, we're gonna be patient here. Oh, I can't believe gold ended up flying like that, boys. Jesus Christ, that would have been such a nasty trade to take. That would have been such a beautiful trade to take now that I'm looking at it. Wow. It's crazy how just it looks so beautiful, but after the fact. Before the fact it probably does look beautiful. It looks the same exact way it looked after, but just after the fact it always feels like it looks better. So let's try to anticipate this GJ long before it looks better after the fact we missed the long. We're like guys, we're for everybody who understands, you lose. Not you lose, but the point is, like, if we lose, it's because market structure is actually going to keep on going bearish. I'm anticipating market structure to keep on going bullish. I just need confirmations to be able to hop into my trade, to be able to give myself a good risk to reward ratio. Now, this does look like a wedge happening right here where price could potentially keep on going long. Nonetheless, I don't have the best risk to reward ratio right here. This is decent, but this is definitely something that could get stopped out pretty easily. It's a good trade. Is it a high probable trade? I don't know. That's up for your interpretation. It's not what I'm executing on right now. Nonetheless, if you're being aggressive and you really feel like price isn't going to keep on going down, and this 15-minute 8 SMA is going to get completely respected, this would be the trade that I'd be anticipating to take. Also, 30-minute closes in 2 minutes. 30-minute might fly, go randomly bullish, and then make the top wick that it never made. Like, who knows? Or is this the trade that we're gonna take? This is what we'd look like at a 35 pip stop loss. I like 35 pips. How much do I gotta risk? 35 pips, 35 pips, 35 pips. 35 pips is damn it, I don't remember. Damn it, I can't see my zeros. 4 a lot. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm taking a 40 pip stop loss trade. Where's 40 pips? Price is right here. That's 30. 30 looks pretty valid. 40 looks even better. 40 looks like if we get stopped out, Jesus Christ, we suck. I'll let you guys know when I execute. Well, I'm gonna execute 3.4. Oh, let's see what fucking happens, guys. We got 27 likes, 80 people. Like up the stream, boys. Like up the stream. Could we be expecting a little bit of drawdown in this trade? 100%. Does the drawdown scare me? A little bit. Do I want to make sure I don't miss the bullish pump that could randomly happen and make the price keep on flying? 1000%. So that is the reason that we're hopping in. Stop losses are below the 50 SMA and the 8 SMA. So we have 2 major levels of support right here that should respect, or at least give us a chance to be able to, like, if we bounce off the 8 SMA, we might come back into entry. If we bounce off our 50 SMA, we might come back to, you know, almost entry. We'll be able to manage our trade if we want to do anything. So this is the best valid trade of the session I could find, an hour into London session. This is the trade that once this trade hits our stop loss, or once it hits our take profit, we are gonna, I don't know, I mean, depending how fast it does it, we might end the stream and then I want to start my Zoom with my VIP. I haven't done a Zoom with them, and I want to see all the people that actually did the VIP and that are actually going to be a part of the trading group, and I want to buy my FTMO account with them, or my Forex funds account, and we're going to take our first trade on that, because right now I'm not trading the new account. We're going to buy a new account and we're going to do the Challenge Pass series where people follow along and take the same trades that I take. But yeah, guys, there's a not on my Forex funds. You guys still, so I like my Forex funds. I think I like my Forex funds. I like the only thing is I like my Forex funds. I feel like I'm just talking shit. You're right, Pablo. My Forex funds is probably it's for the 2 accounts that I've done with it. It's pretty straightforward. You know, you click a little upgrade account, sends it to you right away. You are in, bro. Yes, we are in. We are in, Rami. We are in this trade. Gold retraced a little bit and it might keep on flying. Let's see. So gold retraced. Oh no, gold's coming down for a little bit. Gold might start doing the same freaking market structure that GJ's doing. That's hilarious. This is the clean prop for my bro. All right, let's update. I'm gonna update my spreadsheet because trading logs. So guys, remember, if you guys are not a part of the Discord, you guys could find my trading track record, and all the signals that I send or get sent to the Discord. I'm gonna send the Discord link right now to the comment section. So Discord. All right, the Discord link is in the comment section. If you guys join the Discord link, you guys will be able to find my trading log set. My trading log. If you guys go to Forex signals, you guys will be able to see my signals. But there's a trading log that shows all the trades that I send to the Discord and I take on live stream. If you guys click on that, you guys will be able to see my track record. Right. This is the month of right now. There should be 2 wins after this actually. So there should be. I need to draw a W here and a W here. So this would put me at 10 wins for the month, 3 losses. 4 break evens. So this needs to be fixed. I need to update the times here, but this shows like in April how we went on a 9-win streak on April. It shows all the trades that I take. It shows when I open the trade, shows when I close the trade, shows the session I take, shows the pair obviously, buy or sell, entry. It shows my original take profit, and it shows when I actually close the trade. That's in May. In May we won 11 times and only lost twice. Wow, in April and May I only lost twice. Now we're all the way here in fucking July. I got 3 losses. This trade, I got 2 wins here that have not been shown. I need to update that right now. Another one's a gold trade that we took yesterday, which is I think there's 2 gold trades if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna start drawing this gold trade. Where did this one have? Oh wait, but that's not even where I update my spreadsheet. I need to update my spreadsheet on a different one, different link. I'll update my spreadsheet without you guys. So oh my God, gold is just flying. Jesus Christ, guys! One's in the chat if you actually took the gold trade when I called out saying it looked like a good buy. I want to know if it was just 1 person or 2 people. Not if you're in the gold trade. If you actually took it because I fucking said that it looked good. Look at that, dude. Shout out to fucking people just paying attention. That's my favorite thing that people like, that I like happening on live stream. It's like whenever I'm just sharing my opinion with what I think is happening on the chart. Not me telling you guys to actually buy, not me telling you guys push the trigger, not me telling you guys to close the trigger, just me giving you my market analysis, and then you guys based off of like, I'm pretty sure that, yeah, maybe you guys, it was an extra confirmation for you guys to fucking hop into this trade, but I highly doubt you guys were like, oh, this guy fucking said this might be a good trade, and you fucking just took it without knowing what the fuck he's looking at. You guys, it's like use my opinion as like an extra confirmation, so like it's just clear. There's a bunch of buying pressure here, everything that we were, you know, huge wicks to the downside, showing that everything needs to go up. Now, does that mean this trade can't just completely hit the spot? 100%. But you guys played out your statistical and probability chance, and it played out into your favor. That was hella. That's fucking like 40 pips, 50 pips, 60 pips. Wild. And we're here struggling in GJ. Just a little bit. Not struggling much, but struggling just a little bit. Are you a dwarf? I think I am a dwarf. I have a long position from 1900, added a scalp when you mentioned. Jesus Christ. Do you trade German 30? I do not trade German 30. I've never taken a trade on German 30. I don't even know fucking, how do you calculate a lot size on German 30? Titi me pregunto si tiene mucha novia. Mucha novia. I need to update the spreadsheet. It's kind of pissing me off that it's a 73% win rate right here when I know it could be, it should be more. We've always maintained an above 80% win rate. 73 is not a bad win rate. Just, I hold myself to be higher standards. A little bit higher standards. And it is higher standards. I need to put 2 wins right there. And tonight we're going to get another W. That's going to be 3 wins. That should put me like at 84%, 85% win rate. For everybody to know. We are winning. We are winning. We are winning. We are winning. What did it do, Slick Blogger? $36 likes, boys. We got 36 likes. We're slacking on the likes today. That is not like we usually do on the stream. Usually we're running it the fuck up on the likes. Wait, this song's ass. Oh, I like this song. Where's my headphones? Someone gave me my headphones. We killed it yesterday. Yeah, dudes. Yesterday we caught this gold. I already showed the chat. I'm not sure if you just joined this gold trade. No, Jesus Christ, dude. Fuck the rest. Where could you get a copy of my spreadsheet? So if you join the Discord, Sentry, any chance you can send the spreadsheet and the Discord? But if the comment section, you'll be able to find it, or if not, in the description. But if you guys go to the Forex signals right here, if you see trading log, you will be able to have a link right here for my spreadsheet. It updates automatically. And then if you want to be able to have your own trading logs, like track record spreadsheet, the second link right here in the trading log section, if you guys see this little subsection right here, this second link down here, it says here's a link for your spreadsheet for those who are trying to track their progress. Here's a spreadsheet that you guys can save to your own computer. So you just need to join the Discord for that. And then this right here is just all the signals that I send. And then yeah, yard buy it. Also, I'm gonna send the spreadsheet, my spreadsheet, to my iPhone, I'm about to play the sidekick. Thank you so much, Sen3. How you do it like that, Uzi? I love that song. Alpha, no, I don't fuck with rats. Damn, we already listened to this. I don't want to experience early drawdown. Jesus Christ. Whatever. A GJ might retrace a little bit. It doesn't get me scared if it retraces at all. Yo, bullish. Can you put on... I don't know what that is. I think that's music, but once I start putting somebody else's music, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of requests, and I just kind of I'll put one for you, but that does not mean that the next person that asks, I will put a song. So I'll make that very clear. And my guy, I got you, brother. What is it? Would like it to retrace. I don't want to enter at this price. I know a lot of people don't want to enter at this price because it looks like it needs to keep on coming down. That's why I have a stop loss where I have it, just to be able to avoid the process of it actually coming down and then actually flying. But this might be one of those candlesticks and one of those times where price hits resistance, and the momentum, there's enough momentum. Like, this is a continuation candlestick. I don't see this as a reversal candlestick. So I think there's a great chance that this candlestick could just keep on going and leave everybody behind who didn't get to hop in. Like, it could be one of the bullish pushes where it just really doesn't come back and retrace and give people a chance to be able to hop in. You put it in the VIP? What happened, Blue? I'm not understanding. Did I put one in the VIP? Yo, I have no idea what you're telling me to put on YouTube. I'm searching it and I can't find it. Exactly what you sent me, there's no title that has that. Did I type it wrong? Cookin' Soul. Is it this? Fort Lord Apex. I don't know what you're making me read now, brother. I mean, didn't he write that? But then I wrote that before or after. It didn't pop up. This?
Yeah, man, you know what the fuck going on, man.
I guess it is this.
Good job, Cookie Soul. Yeah, make it make sense.
What I like is that this is giving me descending channel vibes. Descending channel means that it's a reversal pattern for it to just randomly, you know, whoop, whoop. All right, new 15-minute candlestick is coming right now in this 1 minute. Did I make this trade? Yes, I did make this trade. No, I didn't put it in the VIP.
Yeah, make it make sense. Yeah, make it make sense.
So entries at 181 310. So let's say 181 300, right? Entries at.
Down cause I lost all my patience. Got it back now, I'm feeling amazing. Smoke clouds cause the nigga been baked.
40 pip stop loss. So 40 pip stop loss means that your stop loss should be at 180.900. Hoping I'm starting retarded, fly like a TARDIS. I can't be mad cause I'm hitting my targets. 40 your song sound like somebody farted. Don't get me started like buzz niggas dance. Just kidding.
Make it make sense.
Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. Yep, it actually is that. Look at that, Pablo. Yo, Pablo, you definitely should do it, brother. A little bit of Pablo action would not be bad, eh? Just download Streamlabs. Everybody likes a little bit of Pablo action. Wonder who I want to play, guys. Look, this is one of our main supporters in the channel. This is some fucking. Damn it! I don't know how to find him. Yo, Slick Blocka. What's that song that you made us put last time that we loved? No space. There we go. This is.
Recognize you wonder why you invisible. I'm trying to count up and make this residual. Say that the problems we go through is spiritual. If I got problems, got niggas contain. Most these niggas be lame.
This is Slick Block of song in the chat, boys.
Smoking cookies on a plane. Got me higher than a plane. Hundreds on me, boy. If you ain't getting any money, nigga, that's a shame. Cause we ain't the same. These thoughts in my brain. Drip for leap, so it's plain. Smoking on Mary Jane. Don't do this for the fame. Talking tough till I can. Think this shit is a game. Till I pull up and aim. Cause we ain't the same.
That's Slick Blocker.
Thoughts in my brain. Drip for leap, so it's plain. Smoking on Mary Jane.
Yo, shout out Slick Blocker in the chat, boys.
Talking tough till I can. Think this shit is a game. Till I pull up and aim. I think this shit is a game. We do not fuck with you. Get cropped out the picture. Get cut out the frame.
That's his link right there, brother. If you guys want to check out his music and check out his channel, subscribe, brother. Show some love. Some bullish lifestyle artist right there. Song's a vibe.
Cool up the plug. Told him I need me some butts. Young nigga raised from the mud. Talk of the streets.
Shout out Slick Blocker.
Then we gon' put on
That's Slick Blocker right there. That's fire as fuck. I love my community. My community fucking goes hard.
only gave her it once. Now she addicted like drugs. Trap every day, every week, every month. Used to go college, no peace for my lunch. I had to set up the shop in the city.
He is killing it. Yeah, we are in this trade. What it do, Luis el Patrón? Todo bien, patrón.
Meet up for drugs.
Que lo que?
Them man will turn something off if they hear that you speaking too much. Now we switch it to sports. Getting straight off the boat, we got 10 out of 10 coming straight
Straight off
off
the boat. This guy's a beast, dude.
money, then wanted some more.
Slick Blocker. I fuck with you.
Doing it big, I can never do smooth. Cause we ain't the same.
We ain't the same.
Thoughts in my brain. Drip for leap, so it's plain.
Drip Philippe, so it's plain. What he's saying goes hard also. Straight the fuck up. It's not just like mumble jumble gibberish, like the wordplay of it's just straight fire.
We ain't the same. These thoughts in my brain. Drip for leap, so it's plain. Smoking on Mary Jane. Don't do this for the fame.
Shout out Slick Blocker.
Tough till I can. Think this
I think that's what I mean. Your beat, your vibe, everything's so hard. But what really makes me like your music, I think obviously, man, everyone, we all learn and we all grow. So obviously, maybe this is not what you like right now. Like maybe you loved it before. Maybe you're not gonna like it later. And like I think that the one thing you should just stick on always is making sure that everything you're saying is like fire. Because everything you say is fire. Like it's like the wordplay that you choose. It shows that like the talent. Like it's dope. It's dope as fuck. Pakistan by D Block. Alright. I got a brick of heroin from Pakistan. Jesus Christ. The song is fire. 100% the song is fire. Blue Candle, I it's a fire song. D Block, but in the UK. D Block, where you from? Slick Blocker, where you from again? What did he say right there? Something with Big Meech? Let's see what he said. Oh, he's really moving Big Meech. Y'all know who Big Meech is? Or you guys don't know because you guys aren't from the United States? What's my analysis on gold? So since Monday, I have been crying for gold to go bullish, right? Since Monday, literally beginning of the week, what I saw on gold was this is a horribly way of it being drawn. Oh my god, I need to make sure I didn't delete everything. But like when it comes down to the weekly candlestick chart, we have a clear, all right, so our SMAs are in our favor, right? We have the 50 SMA beneath price, right, using it being strongest level of support, and then we have price riding above our 8 SMA, right? We went beneath it, but then we started riding above it again. right? So all this shows is just a higher high, higher low, higher high. All right, let me get this straight: higher high, higher low, higher high. And then I anticipated this higher low. Why? We had a 1 weekly candlestick that stopped, another weekly bullish, and then at this time our weekly was bearish, and I was like, guys, we're gonna leave a wick to the downside, right? I understood that we left a wick to the downside on this week. Previous week, which was last week, we left another wick. So when price was bearish, I told everybody, which was like on Tuesday, guys, this is gonna end bullish. So I'm very bullish on it. Why? Also, you guys can see that this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So impulse, and then this is the correction phase. And then we're getting candlesticks telling us that, guys, this could be the bottom of the impulse. We can start going upwards again. So let me erase everything from the chart again. Fuck it, we're gonna lose everything. This is like the descending channel that we anticipated and looked at, right? So right now we had the break. We actually caught the break yesterday with everybody who's in the VIP channel. If you guys want to be in the VIP channel, just check out the links in the description. Now, if we were looking at gold right now, could we hop in a buy right now? Would it be very aggressive? Yes. Could we hop in a buy? I wouldn't do it, but it's very aggressive. Could we hop in a sell? It's against the trend due to the fact that this is like what's been happening in the last fucking 4 or 5 days. Therefore, it's against the trend. What would I be waiting for on gold right now, man? Where it's the daily. Is this daily candlestick? Is this daily candlestick going to close bullish or is it going to close bearish? That's the first thing I'd be trying to anticipate. Second thing is, man, if we did want to catch longs, I'd be catching longs like we just did before at support. So maybe this is a low of support that we could be catching longs on, potentially having a stop loss beneath everything. But I think gold, with this pump that it had yesterday, man, gold is going to be tricky to trade today. It has a mind of its own today. It could go anywhere it really wants. We're at a major level of support. We rejected, so I think potentially we could start making new lows on gold, but I wouldn't want to do that against all this bullish price action. As you guys can see, this is the down channel, we had our side channel, and now we're up channel. So this is exactly kind of what I'm expecting on gold. If you guys can see, this was the down channel right here, right? Then at the bottom of the down channel, same thing I'm expecting on GJ. If everybody was here earlier for the GJ explanation, we have this down channel, right? At the bottom of this down channel, look, shoulder, head, shoulder, upside down head and shoulders. So that's the same thing as the down channel, side channel, and then we formed our up channel. So what I'd be waiting for, we'll be waiting for a higher high, a higher low to be formed, for price to come back down, and then we could potentially try to target a new higher high. That is the analysis on gold, boys. That song was pretty fire. Shout out to Blue, who's in the VIP. Majority appears will stay bullish. Let's see. It's also a previous level of resistance as well. Always gotta look to the left, Pablo. You're very right. Let's get it. Yo, let's see them Pablo hustle fucking. I want to see Pablo hustle on New York, bruh. I'll go fire. Some people got to hear the truth, Pablo. And you the truth teller. Tell them the truth. You should call yourself the truth. Or keep it FX Pablo Hustle. You don't keep it OG, but you're the truth. I'd call yourself the truth FX. The truth FX. Why? Because you only speak the truth. Gold got a mind of its own, for real, for real. Right now it has a mind of its own. It can't be tamed, brother. Can't be tamed. You could catch a trade on it. It would be considered a lucky trade in my eyes. I hate being in trades whenever volatility dies like that. Like, this is annoying. Guys, 43 likes on the stream, 98 viewers, boys. Like up the stream for your boy. Like, we got literally, oh, what the hell? This is 43 likes. 43 likes, 98 people. What is that? I guess people don't like the fact that I haven't been in a trade that hasn't gone anywhere yet. The algo's been pushing us, and we've been getting new people that they don't hop in and they don't give us the like everybody else usually does. You're right about that. Guys, the daily on GJ looks like it's fucking ready. But it's calling everybody's attention right now. Everybody's looking at the daily. I wonder who are the people that are thinking. I mean, it could be totally valid that GJ ends up having a sell-off. I wouldn't put my chips behind it having a sell-off, but it's I guess valid. Like there's an 8 SMA here that we haven't touched, right? We're rejecting it. Level of resistance. Yo, first time watching the stream. Love the vibe already. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, brother. If it's anybody's first time watching the stream, make sure that you check out all the links below that we have. We have a bunch of, like, I don't know, check out our Instagram, check out my personal Instagram if you want to see my personal stuff. If you guys want to see, if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. Everyone's always chatting in there, sharing trades, sharing analyses, messing around with each other. It's actually a very dope community. And you guys, it's like, I mean, you guys, it's your guys' community. You guys created the community. As in, like, it wouldn't be the same without Blodge. Blodge hasn't showed up. Where the fuck is Blodge? It wouldn't be the same without fucking Pablo always showing up, Slick, Blanco, Santuri, Dalavi, fucking Kate. I don't know. Just the typical OGs. AJ. Shout out to all the fucking OGs. Luke Kelly. He's here? Shit, I didn't notice. Very disrespectful of me to not say hi to him. I apologize. I'll be better next time. Oh, what did it do, Blodge? Wait, where the fuck's my music? Now I got headphones on so I can tell whenever there's no music. Most of you people are not. I'm sorry, I said you people. Most of the chat is from fucking. Most of the chat's from. I don't feel like most of my chat's from the United States. So I don't know if you guys understand the vibes of how Lil Baby is like the GOAT. I don't know if you guys understand that. This guy, Lil Baby. I don't know if you guys know, but this guy is the best rapper. You know, it's like Drake and then it's Baby. There's no competition. There's no if, ands, or buts. It's just Baby's the best. Am I right or am I wrong? For anybody who's from the United States, am I right or am I wrong? I trade all my accounts individually. I don't have anything that transmits one. And sometimes I repeat trades, but I sometimes I make very rarely. I'm from Netherlands, and even I think you're right. Lil Baby on top for sure. Shout out ATL. We got Pablo from ATL. And everybody we listening to right now from ATL. So shout out to the ATL. Yo, Pablo's also a musician, boys. We got Slick Blanca in here that's a musician. And we got Pablo. And Pablo know music for real, because he plays all types of music. He's in a band, plays the bass. Probably fucking has his own music. Jazz. Fucking real shit. Just fire. I feel like I probably missed I hopefully I didn't say anything. Come on, GJ, do something. Jesus Christ, gold's going. Ooh, that was the break-in retest of gold. Wow, again, rejected support, guys. Fucking, it's simple. Whenever price is in a range, just fucking buy. When price goes to the bottom, so like, wow, I think it's gonna go. I don't think it's coming back. Gunna's been going hard with this song. Not this one, the one that I put before.
that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yo. He talk so much, I ain't too good to kill, my cup been running over. Made these
Jesus Christ, dude. All right, Friday session. Let's get it, baby. What it do, Tamilius? How's everything, brother? Don't forget to like up the stream, boys. I've been trying to tell people to like up the stream. I don't think we got this. Oh, 62. We were at 40 recently. I thought America liked Waka Flocka. Oh my god. Jesus, there was a time where we used to. There was a time where America did like Waka Flocka. That's funny. I like actually Kanye a lot, guys. Fucking hot topic, but you know, I fuck with Kanye, dude. Yeah, Waka went hard. His energy is different. I'm pretty sure he's also a very smart dude, brother. Or was it Ace Hood? I think it's Waka. I've seen like interviews of him that are just like, you could tell that he fucking really understands a lot more than just music.
and this is for the family that can't be with us. And this is for my cousin locked down, know the answers in us. That's why I spit it in my song, so sweet like a photo where your granny's picture now that you're gone and hit us. Super hard on Thanksgiving and Christmas, this can't be right. Yo, you heard the track I did, man, this can't be life. Somebody please say grace so I could save face and have a reason to cover my face. I even made you a play. Soul food, no
simple break and retest, guys. Simple break and retest. We have the descending wedge, the break. This is resistance that now became support. Break, retest. We should keep on flying. TPs for gold, 1960s. All the glitters, it's not gold. And this is for the family that stand with us. Are you in a trade already? Damn. Yeah, we are in a trade already. I kind of called out gold longs. Some people hopped into gold longs. When the price was all the way down here, I kind of called it out, didn't hop in. Some people hopped in, it flew. So I was like, you know what? GJ is valid. Stop loss is a bit big for my liking, nonetheless. Can you check USDJPY? No, please don't start coming down. Even USDJPY looks long, brother. 4-hour candlestick closes very soon. So this 4-hour candlestick is going to close in 25 minutes. And this 25-minute candlestick, we have to see where this 4-hour candlestick is going to close. Hopefully we close above this 8 SMA, or if not, around this level, so a new candlestick could open, fake out like it's going low, and just be a momentum candlestick going more upwards. And then GBPJPY will start flying, but that is exactly what we have to be looking at right now on all time frames. Is this 4-hour candlestick right now closes in 25 minutes. So for all the time frames, let's go to GBGJ real quick. 4-hour. This candlestick that we are looking at right now closes in 25 minutes. I think that this candlestick is going to close at this level of resistance right here. I think potentially it might sell off a little bit, but I feel like we're going to close at this level of resistance right here. Next candlestick is going to open, and it's going to continue to just fly. Let's clip it. Let's clip it, boys. Let's remember. We're going to close at this level of resistance. New 4-hour candlestick is going to open, and it's just going to have no bottom wick, and it's just going to keep on going upwards, and we're going to hit take profit with it. Grilling people like George Foreman, while Uncle Ray and Aunt Sheila always performing. Second she storming. Do you like R. Kelly? Jesus Christ. Drink some wine like communion and act like everything fine, and if it isn't, we ain't letting everybody in our family business. All that things. All the glitter.
It's like worth living, should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse, I'm black. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops
Arlen says, oh, I have $20 account. I have been studying, but I am insecure of entering on a trade because all I got. What would you recommend I do? I think that you should start joining the live streams more often, and I don't say that to just try to like join any live stream, whether it be my live stream, whether it be anybody else's live stream that live trades. And the more that you understand like what it is to actually trade, and the more you see like what somebody's doing. So like I have my set amount that I actually am risking in this trade, right? I have a certain size account. Regardless, you could have a $20 account. You need to understand how much you're risking per trade. So your first goal is to find out how to find out how much to risk per trade. Once you find out how to risk per trade, you just want to start trying to see like what type of setups are people actually taking, and understand the fact that whatever you risk. So imagine you're saying on that $20 account, you're going to risk $3 with this stop loss right here, right? So you can either follow along on live streams, or you can just start choosing your own levels, right? You just always want to make sure you're risking the same amount that you're risking, that your take profit where you want to close at is around that same level as well, or potentially more. But if you're risking $3, it's not really too good to be closing at $2 and $1 potentially, right? So you find out how to calculate how much you want to risk. Usually you want to risk not your whole account. You want to risk 1 to 5%, 1 to 3%, 1 to 2%, and potentially with $20, maybe if you want to risk like fucking 10% per trade, maybe 20%, 30% per trade. You find out how much you want to risk per trade. Really just depends on your risk tolerance. And then yeah, find out, give yourself like 10 tries. So if you miss 10 trades in a row, that's how you blow your account. But give yourself, and it's fine if you lose trades. Losing trades is good. What I don't want you to do is close early on trades, before it gets to stop loss and before it gets to take profit. But I think if you keep on joining the live stream and you'll start understanding kind of like what it is to be in a trade and how long it's supposed to take. Because a lot of people think that trading is hop in a trade. Once you hop in a trade and the candlestick goes upwards, it should be able to fly. And then imagine the candlestick goes halfway to take profit, and then it comes all the way into drawdown, and people think, oh, the trade's over, and then they close. There's just so much confusion on how a trader actually goes about his trades. So like for me personally, live streaming, I would watch live traders trade. For example, I watched Daniel Savage live trade a lot. I would watch Lamorowo live trade. I would watch everybody who I would watch Roger Banks. This was 4 years ago, 5 years ago, I guess. And that's how I learned to trade, just watching how other people actually traded, and then using all their little strategies and using all their little, because when you're watching me trade, more than you seeing me be at a stop loss, setting a stop loss and take profit, you're also watching me, like my psychology behind the trade. You're also watching how I react. You're also seeing like my patience behind it. You're also saying, hey, we're at a lot of the times I tell you guys, hey, we're at resistance, let's not buy at resistance. But then I don't know where I'm here at resistance and I'm buying, and then you understand the logic, and you just start like the more. And then also, what I recommend if you're a beginner, start only trading 1 to 2 pairs. Like I understand that there's a chance that this could break through resistance clearly. Even though I don't like buying at resistance, I'm doing it right here due to the fact that I watch GJ so much that I understand its price action. And sometimes there's just certain, like what I like to call muscle memory. There's just certain things that are just hard to explain, but you understanding and seeing it multiple times, you'll be able to start anticipating the candlesticks without you even noticing what you're looking at. You'll be like, oh, I've seen this market pattern before. I've seen the candlesticks do this before. And you won't picture perfectly remember the candlesticks doing that, but you'll have a feeling. You'll be like, oh, I have a feeling that I've seen this before. And you're going to start getting really good hunches on knowing when to enter, because trading really at one point, 1, it's all about execution. 2, it's all about psychology. Well, 1, it's all about psychology. 2, it's all about execution. That's the best way to put it. As a $20, I understand 0.01 is the most I could. Well, if it's 0.01, that's perfectly fine. Just throw some 0.01 lots. See, right now we're not focused on how much money you're going to make behind every single trade. You're going to focus on how many pips you could get, or how many trades you could actually win. What is considered a win trade? A win trade is whenever, imagine you say you're going to throw 30 pips as a stop loss. A winning trade is when you whatever you risk, you reach and take profit. You don't have to close it there. Fuck it. But as long as you risk, and whatever you risk, make sure that if you get to that certain amount, if I risk $30, I want to be up $30, and that means I had a winning trade. If I risked $30 and I only got to go up $15, and then it hit my stop loss, it was a losing trade. Obviously, it's a losing trade if you don't close. So you gotta then later on, you're gonna start learning how, when you're in profit, to start lowering your stop loss and then put it into where it's at break even, where then you're in risk-free trades. Trading is not hard. I think you just need to be given the correct information, and I think right now you're looking at the correct information. It might not be the best information for you, because other people learn better off other, like I'm a very fast-paced person. It's just my trading style, my way of explaining things might not be the best for you, but for like it really just depends on what your style is. So go check out different live streamers. And off checking 40 pip stop loss, it's the 40 pip stop loss. It's a pretty big stop loss, but it's due to the fact that I'm buying at resistance. I want to make sure that my SMAs, my 8 SMA, see if you look at this hourly candlestick chart, we have our 8 SMA, our 8 SMA and our 50 SMA are still within our stop loss range. So we could go into here and bounce off our 50 SMA and our 8 SMA really easily. Yeah, hopefully that was a good explanation for you. don't get frustrated when you feel like you're in a gray area in trading. In the gray area, I mean, is like when I first started trading, I didn't know what was actually correct. And I'm telling you, just join live streams and focus on few pairs and just yeah. Just keep on showing up every session to the same pair, and just watch what price does, and just watch people explain, and little by little, all the information that they say and all the words and terminologies are gonna start making more and more sense. You can catch up. And for everybody that's new here, make sure you join our Discord. And our Discord is where you're going to be able to get all the trades I send. And you guys will be able to find the trading log, is where you guys will be able to have your own trading log. If you guys go to the trading log section, you guys will see right here, you guys will be able to get your own trading log. If you guys click on this link right here, it will open up all the trades that I have sent to the Discord for the last 3-4 months. Last 3-4 months, we have always maintained above up to the moment, I'm not sure, but look, in April we went on a 9-win streak. On May we went on a 10-win streak. We're all the way here in July, we went on a fucking 6-win streak. So then just go right now, we've got break even, loss, win, loss, break even, and then we have 2 wins that I have not written down. So within the last 5 trades, well, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, we've won 4 trades and lost 1, and another 1 break even. 1 break even trade. Out of 6 trades, 4 wins and 1 break even and 1 loss. This from here, without the 2 wins that I've shown, it's kind of rough. Nonetheless, not gonna lie, it's above the 73% win rate. Yeah, you guys can check all those sections in the Discord section. Make sure you join the Discord. Gold finishing to pushing up. Oh, gold and they're going down again. Jesus Christ, gold has a mind of its own, boys. Discord is lit. Yeah, the Discord is lit, guys. Dope ass community. Everybody's always fucking sharing shit, fucking being funny as fuck. Everybody knows everybody now, almost. So yeah, like I said, the comment section right now, look, and then I'll send you guys the Discord link. Also a link for you guys to see my spreadsheet on your guys' zone. There's a link to my VIP if you guys want to check out my VIP. Can I show you my SMA settings? Blodge. I can't blodge. I cannot. There's secrets. All it is that this is an 8 SMA and this is a 50 SMA. Just make sure your 8 SMA is blue. Insert, go to insert indicators. You could either look for one that has all of them and then you hide them, or you just type in 8 SMA, 8 SMA, right? 8 SMA, not signal. You want to look for something that says I'm gonna ruin it if I So you could just go to moving average, put SMA, put simple moving average. There you go. Put simple moving average, click on it, and then when you click on it, you'll be able to edit the setting of it, right? Oh my god, I'll just do it for you. I clicked on it right here. The thing is, every time I go here, I can't fix my setting. My thing's fucked. That's why I haven't done it. Because you see how most people have their indicators up here on the top left, and maybe somebody can help me fix it. And then I know where they could click on it where it shows like the setting little icon. I don't have that. And then I click on it here, and that's not the one. It's this one. No. I hate you, Blodge. Yeah, I don't know. My fucking trading view is fucked. Whatever. If you click on moving average, click on moving average, and then you'll just click on the setting of it, and you could add 1, you could add another 1. It has to be an 8. You could just put the number, and then on the other one you put 50. I've had problems with my trading view. That's why I haven't tried to fucking show my indicators or touch anything. But if you literally, you can find it off a simple YouTube video. Like it's really not a hard thing at all. Arlen Espinoza, thank you. You're welcome. Anytime. If you come and you ask questions whenever you want, I will answer your questions. And usually, yeah. Click the arrow and the indicators will show up. Click on the arrow. Look, I click the arrow. Now they're gone. I click on the arrow again. Now they're here. So this is my SMA right here. This is the red one. This is the 8 SMA. It shows where price is on the 8 SMA, and then it shows where price is on the 50 SMA. So open symbol market, open bar change, indicator titles. Oh, that's what I need right there. Oh, well, I fixed that part. Oh, Cena. You're something that I dreamed of. How do I use moving averages as confluence? Okay, so moving averages act as like support and resistance. So as you can see, this is my 8 SMA. This is the hourly candlestick chart. Look how when we are bearish, the 50 SMA is remaining above the 8 SMA, right? Our 8 SMA is riding downwards and the 50 SMA is going downwards as well. But price is respecting the 8 SMA. So like this is the hourly candlestick chart. So if you were looking at every hour, every time the hourly would touch the 8 SMA, it would go down. Hourly would touch the 8 SMA, go down. So you can think of the SMAs as other levels of support and resistance. The 50 SMA is the stronger level. So like if we were to come and tap the 50 SMA, we would most likely have even stronger rejection because the 50 SMA, think about this as resistance, just like this 8 SMA is resistance, right? But then out of nowhere, resistance became support. Look how on the 8 SMA, we broke it, right, on the hourly candlestick chart. There's SMAs for every candlestick chart. Look right here on the 30-minute candlestick also, we were riding beneath it. Look, trending beneath the 8 SMA. Let's look at the 1 hour to make it more clear. And then look, we broke the 8 SMA here and started riding above it now, right? And now for price to be bullish, we actually need the 50 SMA. This is the 50, the red one, to be beneath the 8 SMA. So as you can see, it's the opposite for when we're bearish. When we're bearish, this is how the SMAs need to look. 50 SMA, 8 SMA, and you start riding downwards, right? But then look, 8 SMA, which is a support and a resistance, right? It was acting as a level of resistance, right? Resistance, and out of nowhere it became support. We broke through it, and then it became support. And then we start riding above it. Now we're riding the 8 SMA, right? On the hourly candlestick chart. This is the hourly candlestick chart. So think about all the candlesticks and how much time we've been riding above this little line right here, right? And then out of nowhere, we had a break of it right here. Boom, that means we broke. And then look, we respected our major level of support, which is our 50 SMA, this is the biggest bad boy that we got right here. This is the one that once we start breaking beneath our 50, we're fucked. Once our 50 is above our 8 SMA, we're fucked. But look, no, our 50 and our 8 SMA actually flipped. And right when they flipped is when price actually exploded. So what does the flip mean? The flip means that now our 50 SMA is riding beneath the 8 SMA. So the 8 SMA is going to be able to keep on going up and our 50 is going to be able to ride. So basically what we saw right here with the 50 above it and the 8, think about the opposite of this now. Now the 50 is beneath and the 8 SMA is above, right? We had a little melt off on the 8 SMA when you're looking at, so like price, once it actually closed beneath the 8 SMA, it did this huge bearish momentum. But then look, we respected our 50 SMA, and now we're riding above our 8 SMA again, guys. This is on GJ. We're riding above the 8 SMA. So now I think the majority, like the most that we'll retest on, our trade won't hit on. I'm not sure if it'll hit if it hits this 8 SMA on the hourly. I have to draw out my thing right now. Or maybe it will. Maybe my stop loss is beneath that. But what I'm anticipating is for us to keep on riding above this 8 SMA, right? For us, every time we tap it, for us to keep on riding up and start breaking these levels of resistance. And then this 50 SMA is going to keep on riding upwards, just as well as this 8 SMA, and we're going to be able to keep on going up. And that is where our upside down head and shoulders is going to play out. You guys see this little market structure right here? Boom. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Hopefully that was a good explanation for people that do not know how to use their SMAs. I apologize if it was all over the place. I am not, I never studied on how to explain these things. It really just is my understanding on how to use them and like me trying to simple it down and dummy it down for people that don't understand. It's kind of not too hard, but like fuck. It's like how the hell do you explain what a simple moving average is? Great explanation, thank you. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. I always get confused with the which time frame to use for the SMA crossover. For the SMA crossover, you use all time frames. So like all time frames right now. So if I look at the 5 minutes, so I say, I mean, it really just depends on all time frames because you're always going to get the crossover on different time frames at different times. And each different time frame is going to show you a different type of reaction, and a different reaction is going to have different volatility. Some are going to be stronger, some are going to be weaker. Higher time frames are always the best ones. So you always got to be looking at the 4 hour as well. The 4 hour, we're beneath the 8 SMA, which is very dangerous right now. So what are we trying to do with this 4 hour? This 4 hour is really trying to engulf this 8 SMA right now. That is what the goal of this 4 hour to do is. The 4 hour actually closes in 8 minutes, guys. So in 8 minutes, we're going to either fucking probably die or fly. One of the two. Hopefully we don't end up dying, you know? So this is where my stop loss is. Fuck the stop loss. I'm gonna put where my I'm gonna put a stop loss right here. I'm gonna put this where the stop loss is. Stop loss. Okay. And she got full 5 bros. All right, so our stop loss is really way below the 8 SMA. So like, this is where our stop loss is, right? Our stop loss is right here, and we have our 1 hour 8 SMA right here. That is why I think that our trade, that's why first of all I put a 40 pip stop loss to make sure that our SMAs are going to be strong levels of support for if price does decide to keep on coming down, they have a strong chance to bounce. And if price decides to keep on flying at this level of resistance, we're not going to miss out. So now we have to do, yes, we do have to wait for 40 pips to hit take profit. Nonetheless, price has to really fucking melt for us to lose. So why do I like having larger stop losses in my trades? Because larger stop losses, right? The larger the stop loss, statistically, the less chance you have of getting stopped out, right? So the larger the stop loss, you have a less chance of getting stopped out. So right now, me taking a 40 pip stop loss, the only thing, like guys, if I was taking a 100 pip stop loss every single day on every single trade, all I have to do really when I'm taking a 100 pip stop loss is guess the bias of the night correct. So imagine how much easier it is every single night of guessing the bias, whether GJ goes up at the end of the day or whether GJ goes down, rather than saying right here specifically it's gonna go up and then I'm gonna be able to take profit here before it goes and closes all the way back down here, and then before it closes the back down here, I'm gonna like that's 10 times harder than just saying, hey guys, for the night GJ is gonna go up. So my style of trading is trying to figure out what is the smallest stop loss I could have, but it also being the largest amount where I know that if my stop loss gets hit, it means that my bias was incorrect. So therefore, every time I'm approaching the charts, all I have to do is try to guess whether the bias is going up or whether the bias is going down, whether we're bullish or whether we're bearish. Very simple as a way of trading. That's why I buy whenever price is coming downwards, to give myself the best risk to reward ratios. Yeah, so the larger the stop loss, the easier it is to fucking actually hit your trade and actually just make sure you're getting the bias of the night correct. Very simple. The bias of the night is basically a 50-50, right? If you're going to look at it in dull terms, it's actually not a 50-50, but if you're going to look at it in dull terms of guessing the bias of the night, whether it goes up or down, is a 50-50 coin flip. Way easier going to 50-50 coin flip than saying price is going to enter right here and it's going to be able to get to this level right here before it gets to this level right here, and like try to like choose out entries and stop loss like it. So trade with larger stop losses. Try to make sure that you guys are just putting yourselves in positions where if you get that, so like I'm saying right here, if our stop loss gets hit, most likely it's because the bias is going bearish. Very, very, very high chance it's going to be bearish. So our trade is going to hit if GJ ends up going bullish tonight. We've already had indications that it could go bullish. So that's exactly why. Also, this is why the stop loss is the reason the stop loss is. How much time do I think you should spend on a demo account? I think you should spend, yeah, as long as until you start seeing yourself hit a bunch of trades and not over, until you see yourself not over leveraging and not fucking, 1, not over leveraging, 2, not closing out trades early, and 3, growing the account consistently. Not about just growing the account. It's not about hitting one nice trade that makes you a whole bunch of money. It's about consistently growing it off small wins. I want to see a whole bunch of small wins, and I want to see whenever you take a loss for it to not affect the small wins. So small wins, small losses. Medium wins, medium losses. Keep it constant.
Let's take a trip. Have you ever read the word is yours on a blimp?
Oh, come on, GJ. I always close the trade super early. How did you work on your mentally and trying to hold? So the way I stood that was literally, it was very hard. That was one of the hardest things for me to learn. And how did I learn that? Stop looking at the charts. Let's set a stop loss, set a take profit, and literally not look. And that's it. Literally not look. I distract myself and watch YouTube videos. And then I started, because I would close out trades early all the time, and that I know where my actual take profit would actually hit. Duncan, you'd be an amazing auctioneer. I definitely would. That'd be dope. $1, $1, $1, $2, $2. 3 minutes and 4 hours till the candlestick close on GJ. Yes, at the end of every candlestick close is when you start seeing the actual true momentum of where it wants to go. So when you start getting towards the end of a candlestick close, this is where you start seeing actual true volatility. True volatility will show you where the direction wants to go. Big wins, small losses. That also, big wins, small losses. Big wins, small losses. But like it's just it's like a. What's the chance that a beginner guy that's never traded a real like demo is literally just gonna make? I mean, possibly. You're right. Yeah, big wins, small losses. Make sure you're seeing yourself do big wins, small losses. Minimum 1-to-1s, but you need to get yourself 1 to 2 trades.
Have you ever read the word is yours on a blimp? Tell her be free, baby, spread your wings, get your legs in the sky like a plane. Let me guide that. I'm the pilot.
$1.
Can't nobody see you 30,000 feet on your knees in the
Thank you, Timilius. Yeah, boys, like up the stream, guys. If you guys have found any value in the stream, if you guys have fucking enjoyed it, if you guys vibed out, if you guys have learned anything, if you guys have had any negative opinion, or if you guys have had any fucking feeling at all, if you guys have taken any breath while on this live stream, like it up. Like up the fucking stream. All right, gold is kind of closing around where I said it was going to close, where I anticipated it to close. It depends on how you're learning. Give it a chime. Rome wasn't built in a day. Oof. Yo, Pablo, we need you in New York session, brother. You got all the sayings. You got all the wisdom. Pablo got all the discipline, got all the wisdom, got all the fucking chart knowledge, got the skills, got the entries, got the snipes. So far on minutia, so far nigga to my profile. You don't make waves in a low tide. Pre-round name, pre-round name, big. Don't make me big. When I watch you as a streamer, is it for me to learn how you trade and learn strategy, which I assume it is, or is it to enter and make the same trades as you? So it's a good question. It's a very good question. When it really comes down to is there's a lot of people that really do understand how to trade. I think for a beginner, I don't think you win anything out of copying my trades. Anything, you win nothing. So if you're a beginner trader and you're just trying to make money and you're trying to copy people's trades, you're setting yourself backwards. It's going to be very hard. But I think for people that are a bit more advanced and that kind of understand what they're doing and they kind of have like same biases as me and they kind of have the same trading strategy, they kind of just use my trades as an extra confirmation. And if they were like, so the people that are in buys right now are people that saw the same thing that I saw as a down channel, side channel, up channel. Maybe they saw price retrace, like, and maybe they did understand that maybe they did believe that price would go up, but they just needed an extra confirmation or the extra push of confidence. And it's like, you kind of just use me as an indicator, as a tool. That's the way I would watch streamers when I was trading actively. It kind of did me a disservice watching them and copying all their trades. So at one point I was trying to watch them and not get distracted and not trying to get like, so a lot of people right now are actually, a lot of people that didn't hop into this trade are probably like fucking trying to hop into this trade now. They're gonna get psychology messed up, and like I would just try to like go through the missing out on the trades, start going through the wins with the people, and just like use everything as a learning experience. Everything, whether you win or lose, make sure you find out how to make it make it a learning experience. Exactly that. Yeah, I try not to do that because I'm not confident on streamers, but I prefer to learn from them and try to learn how I could do without watching someone. I prefer you not take my trades, truthfully. It makes me feel less bad when we lose. It makes me, I don't really see much when we win. Nonetheless, on our live stream track record, in April, live stream track record, this was a 9-win streak that we did. So everybody who ate for all these 9-win streaks and decided to just copy my trades in April, and then again in May, everybody who decided to just copy my trades out in May and like literally just only trade my trades, they went into a 10-win streak after that. Went 9-win streak in April, 10-win streak in May, and then here in freaking July right now, I went on another 6-win streak. And then right now there's 2 wins that I have not written right here. So right now it should be win, win, loss, break even, win, win. This should put me back up at like at an 83% win rate. So that basically shows within the last 4 months I've been trading, everything's been above 83% win rate. So there is statistically, if you were taking every single trade I was taking, you should be able to be in profit. But now that's like, in a perfect world, and this is not a perfect world. So I understand perfectly. Are those trades only from the live stream? Those trades are all from the live stream and from the Discord signals. So usually I am on live stream sending the exact same trade on the live stream as a signal, but sometimes I don't have the time to, so it's usually just every single live stream trade as well as the Discord trade. So very few times I'm sending trades while I'm on Discord, while I'm not on live stream. So that's the fact. That's why I say that they're included both. Very few times, but there's times where I'm not on live stream and there's really nice trades. So if you guys want to be able to check out that spreadsheet, make sure you guys join the Discord. You guys will be able to find that in the Discord. It's in the trading log section. So I'm going to send the Discord right now to the chat. I'm also going to send the spreadsheet. If you guys don't want to join the Discord, you guys can just look at the spreadsheet throughout right there. If you guys are more interested in all the links that I have to offer, you guys can check it out right there. It's also in the comment section. Auctioning now. I'm auctioning now. If you guys want to check out the VIP, you guys can check out the VIP. The VIP is right there. Stops to break even on GJ? Potentially. Potentially. I don't want to get stopped out at break even and then have it fly. That kind of has happened way too many times. My stop loss is obviously maybe not all the way down there anymore. Just nonetheless, I'm just going to keep this trade right here so people understand what we were doing. Advertisement. Miguel from the Spanish channel will go over his past setups and strategy in the VIP Spanish. This is the weekend. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so we also have the Spanish VIP, which is just like a New York streamer that, I mean, we have a streamer that goes on New York and he speaks majority Spanish, but he speaks perfect English as well. And a bunch of English people watch him. And he has a track record also that we could track. Let me see where I can find his trading log right here. Trading log. He also has a trading log. If you guys go to the Spanish section, you guys see trading log. And this is his track record right now. Let's check it. This is Miguel's track record for New York. So this is our New York streamer. He has 8 wins this month, 2 losses, 2 break evens. All trades have been sent to the Discord section. So if you guys see right here, VIP señales, I guess you guys do need to speak Spanish for that part, but it does look GBP. You just need to understand what ventas and compras are. But people have been fucking loving his trades because this month he's been popping off. He's on an 80% win rate. He's still a young buck to me because I've maintained an 80% win, above 80% win rate for the last few months, but the young buck is doing well, and he's on a 4 win streak right now. I reached the 6 win streak this month, so yeah. Miguel gonna make the 10 win streak. Hey, bruh, I got the 10 win streak here on lock. This was with majority. So when we were in April and I hit the 9 win streak in April, I only had like 13, 15, 16, 20 max viewers. In May, we got to like 24, 25, 30, 40 max. And now we're all the way in July, and it could look better. There should be 2 wins right here, guys. 2 wins and potentially 3 wins if we hit this GJ trade. So 3 wins would put me at a very high win rate. And we going! One's in the chat if you guys are in this trade. One's in the chat if you guys are in this trade because you guys took this trade with me. One's in the chat if you took this trade with me, boys. I want to know who took this trade. Shout out to you guys. We got 130 viewers, and we got all these people that took this trade with me. Constantly winning on Bullish Lifestyle, boys. Are you trading gold? I trade gold, and I've been taking a lot of gold trades. Right now, I'm not. Look how beautiful this break and retest is, guys. Do you guys not see how beautiful this break and retest is? Look how beautiful those wedges play out, guys. Oh my god. What would you do on gold at the moment? Not touch it. You missed the retest. We lost a whole bunch of viewers once I fucking said everybody type 1 if you're in this trade. So I think a whole bunch of people that didn't take this trade got pretty mad. Did I break even or not? I have not breaking even yet. Bitch drip to the bitch to Morocco. I got pretty women showing titties like I'm Flacco. I'm going to go to the gym, Sentry. See you on Monday, Sentry. Thank you so much for always helping out, brother. I didn't take it. I'm still here. I love you, Saxy. Where did that name come from, Saxy? Did it come from sexy, or is it just me fucking thinking wrong? Guys, so if you guys do not know, next week, we should have done it this week, but this week I missed on the live stream, and also I have a week free trial going on with my VIP. So if you guys want to be a part of my VIP, you guys could just look at the comment section, and you guys could look at what you need for the VIP there. So what the VIP is, we're gonna be going on private Zooms. If you have the VIP, it's basically a private mentorship with me. You guys could obviously have classes with me on Zoom, and you guys are gonna be able to have direct access to me and direct access to all the trades that I take. I'm gonna be focusing on my VIP channel. When it comes down to sending trades, we're also going to be, we're going to be live streaming every single day on YouTube, but the live streams are going to be lasting 30 minutes to an hour. And I think I'm going to start off my live stream on a private Zoom call. And then once we catch a trade, or once we catch the setup and we understand what we're looking for, I'm going to go on YouTube live, and then we'll be able to shoot the shit here, see if there's any more potential trades. But all my focus is going to be put onto that private Zoom chat. I'm also purchasing an FTMO challenge where I'm going to be taking every single trade with that VIP channel, so they could copy the trades and they could see the lot size that I'm taking, see when I'm closing my trade, and they can see the full transparency of how I pass FTML challenges. And they're going to be, so that's also a part of you getting the VIP. You're going to be able to follow along on that and just be a part of the private Zooms, unmute your mic, unmute your show your camera, share your screen, and just show me different, you know, basically it's just meant for the people that want to take the learning off me a little bit more advanced, you know, a little bit more serious. That's what we're gonna do. Yes, sir. Run it up, boys. Shout out to the gang. Everyone ate. I just closed my trade. Boys. It feels amazing to be on live stream with the fucking gang and just hit trades like that and just... Guys, it's funny how I cry always not to buy at resistance. Guys, this next candlestick is going to close, right? I could potentially see the next 15-minute candlestick being double the size as this 15-minute candlestick. Yeah, I closed my full position. I closed my full position because I just barely funded myself another 50K. Sheesh, dude. Maybe I got 3 My Forex Funds account now. Every My Forex Funds challenge that I've bought, besides another 100K challenge that I ended at break even, is done well. Jesus Christ. I fucking love life right now. But we gon' need more. Make it deep, boy. I live for it. I hit licks for it. Woo! All right. I got shit I gotta do, boys. So give me like 5 minutes. Wait for price to reset. Wait for whatever needs to happen. I need to update my spreadsheet. What it do, AJ? All right. So we got gold buy here that needs to be edited. What the fuck is happening? It was at 1944 to 1946. Exit was at exit was like at 1954. 1954. Take profit was 19.46. It just flew past. It was the news trade. Stop loss was at 19.42. Lot size was a 2.5 lot. And then we took a we took a GJ trade. I'm gonna put the GJ trade. I know that there's a trade, there's another win missing in between here. What is this GJ trade that we just took? 181.300 all the way to 181.700. All right, so 181.300. 181.300. Exit 181.700. Take profit 181.700. Stop loss 181.300. Stop loss. How big was my fucking 3.4 lot? London. This was New York trade. July 13th. July 14th. Right now we just closed this trade at 514. Put 510. When we opened it, damn, we were in it for like an hour. I don't know. I'm gonna put just 410. I do not have when we opened it. This one was when the news hit, so this close was at 8:30. 8:30. Let's put 33. And then this was, we were in the trade by like 8:15, 8:20. Let's put 8:20. Let's go bullish. Yes, sir. We've been eating, boys. Guys, if you guys made profit, I want to see you guys screenshot the profit and post it on the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram. I want to see you guys all repost it on the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram if you guys took this trade and profited. Even if you have some losses before it, I don't know. Show me, you guys. I want to see you guys. I never see people do that, so I want to see. Hopefully, you guys could fucking produce me some P&Ls. I would love to see some P&Ls. I just barely sent both my Instagrams right there. I'll repost you guys. Also, on the Discord right now, guys. If you have the Discord open, I want to see a bunch of emojis on the set. I just barely put live stream 8 today. Can you guys try to see if we could run up the emojis on this thing right here? Run up the emoji. We got 2 likes, which I'm one of the likes, so we haven't ran it up. But if you guys could go to the Discord, also if you guys want to join the Discord, I'm gonna send the Discord right now. It's in the free chat section. I just want to see if, ooh, we got 4 people. I want to see it. Last time, the most I've ever done this with, I've gotten up to 12. We have 122 people. Last time I only got up to 12, and that was like months ago, and I asked a whole bunch of people to run it up once. And it's actually just to be able to see the engagement. Like, look at this guy. Look at you. Saxy. I see Saxy did that one. I can see who's the names of the people that do it. That's fire. So I can see also the names of the people that don't do it, if you think about it like that. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I do not have course right now. Oh, well, I do have a course. It's not completed. It's completed without me doing the video part, as in I just need to read through the course. But I have a course that's a Bullish Lifestyle course, all images made by me and shit. The only thing that I offer right now are like one-on-ones in my VIP. What up, gang? What up, Dr. Dollar? Tootie cool kid. Lovely trade, brother. Thank you, Blue. I appreciate you, brother. Thanks for joining the VIP, and thank you for showing the love, brother. Let's get some more likes on the stream. Yeah, boys. All right, now we didn't get all the likes that we wanted. We got 85 likes right now. We got 127 people. Let's try to like up. Let's see. I want to get this thing to 100 people. 150 likes, and we'll give away another VIP. 150, likes, and we do a giveaway. This live stream is gonna last a little bit longer yesterday because I'm making up for yesterday not being fucking here. I apologize, boys. I felt like shit. I couldn't open my eyes. Light would hurt. I felt like vomiting every time. I'd get nauseous from fucking sitting down. And I feel like the Trump markets were choppy. I didn't end up looking at it too much, but I feel like the markets were choppy. So hopefully I did miss a good session. Alright, let's see if the Discord got ran up. Ooh, the Discord did get ran up. I fucking love you guys. Thank you guys so much for fucking liking up all these things on the Discord. Some light dollar. What up, bro? Dude, the cool kid with a K. Plus 500. Boys, and if you guys do not subscribe to the channel, guys, we just barely recently reached 1,000 subscribers on goddamn YouTube. 1,000 subscribers. We're 4 months into our journey on YouTube. So I'd truly appreciate if you guys drop a like. Oh my god, 1.1. Guys, thank you guys so much. Fucking drop a subscribe and guys, make sure you guys drop the post notifications. The post notifications. Where's the Discord link? The Discord link is in the description. Nonetheless, the Discord link is going to appear in the comment section right beneath your message right now. Discord right there. All my links are going to be in that link tree. I just barely seen the link to the link tree. I'm also going to send the link to the spreadsheet. I'm going to send the link to my VIP channel if you guys want to be a part of the VIP to get the personalized mentor experience. You prefer 15-minute or 30-minute? I prefer always the higher time frame, but nonetheless I use both of them. Both of them are just as valid. See the free chat. Ooh, that boy holding. I like that, Blodge. Blodge, dude, Blodge, how long you been trading, Blodge? You've been learning hella off me. At one point, I'm gonna ask for Blodge to sign a contract. Blodge has been learning hella off me, and he's been fucking eating. Soon as he's gonna be able to portray that onto live accounts, because he's told me that I think he does it on demo. Nonetheless, I think I'm gonna ask that boy. I'm gonna give that boy a live account. I'm gonna tell him that I'm gonna take 50% profit split. I give him the account, and he gives me 50% of the profits, because I know he'll run that shit up. Boy got no fear of the markets. It just fucking goes at it. Seems like gold is gonna bounce again. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Louis Pat Pack, I don't do it. Don't post what I do, but these niggas be clowns. Sold out dates, you know I don't play. I got on 2 watches but still coming late. I feel like GJ is gonna keep on flying, guys. So what we gotta focus on is the weekly candlestick on GJ, right? This is GJ, yes. The weekly candlestick on GJ is right now respected completely. This 8 SMA, right? Our 8 SMA completely got respected, and then this just means that look at this wick rejection. Last time we had a wick rejection that closed right. Oh, that's an ugly line that closed right here. So potentially I see us closing above this area. Potentially the weekly could flip bullish, then end up closing at this level of support. So this just begin Monday at this risky level where it could go up or it could go down. Nonetheless, I think that there's still a little bit more volatility left in this London session, but soon the move is going to happen, and then we're going to have to wait for New York. Like right now, there's no trade. Definitely there's no trade. The pump already happened. If you didn't catch that pump, you got to wait for the next wave to happen. Remember I said trading, like these sessions come in waves. Like the volatility comes in waves. You can't just try to catch a wave once you already missed it, you know? So Raul, the only thing that I'd be waiting for if you were trying to catch this GG long because you believe it's going to keep on going up is right now we have 8 minutes till this 15-minute candlestick closes. The 15-minute candlestick does not have much of a top wick, but it looks like it's being attracted to this 8 SMA right here, which this 8 SMA is like a level of resistance and support. Remember, levels of resistance and support act like magnets. So you have to be thinking, is price going to go to this level up here? This is a level, and this is a level right here. What is the level that it's going to go to next? Is it going to stay at this level? Right now, this magnet is going to hop up to this magnet, or is it going to come down to this magnet? That's what basically the next trade is you predicting. The way that price action is moving downwards like this, like a little wedge, I think that it's going to break past my TP1 right now. It's going to keep on rallying. Especially, I feel like it's going to go up because I closed my trade. And usually when you close your trade is usually when the trading gods decide to let price keep on going. So I would not be surprised if this respects the fucking this SMA right now, even if it's going downwards right now. But we have 7 minutes till we have a 15-minute candlestick close, and until we have a 30-minute candlestick close. So if you look at this 30-minute looks like right now it's going to close like in a doji. But after the doji, the new 30-minute candlestick can open with momentum and keep price pushing upwards. Up to the moment, I'm happy we caught our trade. It's either you're holding the trade from where we entered, or you were being patient and waiting for price to either die completely to be able to re-enter, or you're just waiting for the chart to give you something. Look at the win I caught on the Discord. Let me look at the Discord. Bruh. There's no way he just did that to me, bruh. That is disrespectful. Oh, that is disgusting, bro. What is wrong with me? Look at the emojis I put. Y'all too much, bruh. I put like the guy that has like money in his mouth, then this guy got his mouth open, and then there's a banana. Blue candle is looking down and painting at the same time. Blue candle, guys. Look at this guy in the Discord. This is. He said, look at the. He just barely told me. Look at the setup I caught on GJ. I just called out GJ Longs. Boys, this is a spreadsheet update up to the moment. I know I have another win here. I caught 2 wins yesterday. I do not find it, so fuck it. I maybe not have sent it to the Discord. Maybe I'm just fucking dreaming. But up to the moment, 3 losses is the majority amount of losses that we've had any month we've been trading. In May, we only had 2 losses. In April, we only had 2 losses. In July, we had 3 losses. And in June, we have, well, in June, we had 3 losses. Now in July, it is 14 days into July, and we only have 3 losses. Yeah, we have a shit ton of trades in July, bro. Did I notice the lot size? Y'all hilarious, bro. Frank Eden as well. I love this song. RP Lil Key. Alright guys, make sure everybody who is not in the Discord joins the Discord, because I feel like we have a whole bunch of people that it might be their first time here. Join the Discord if you guys want to be a part of the Discord. If you guys want to see all the links that we have right there. If you guys want to see the VIP. I'm sending all the links right now. If you guys want to see my spreadsheet, the spreadsheet is right there. Guys, if you guys want to be able to track my trades, you guys can track my trades by joining the Discord. Go into this little section right here where it says trading log. And then you click on trading log, you guys will be able to see the first link is all my trades. It gets updated every single day. And then the second link right here is a trading log track record for you guys, as you guys can save this to your guys' computer and track your own trades. We have been streaming right now for 2 hours. Wow, it didn't take that long for our trade to hit. How long were we in this trade, boys? Look at all that free stuff. Yes, sir. Look at all that free stuff, boys. We're potentially going to take another trade, boys. We're potentially going to take another trade because I did not get to live stream yesterday.
Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should have a belt, I should have a sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together. I'm pulling up for 100 and better. It's a real bliss storm in this motherfucker bells. I put my heart out, I wrote me a letter. A nigga so rich, yeah, they calling me trash. I'm styling, I'm wildin', got sticks, I ain't hiding. My bitch exotic, like some from the islands. My
here or on Zoom? That's a very good question. Do you only do GBPJPY? I trade gold a lot. I've sent a lot of gold trades, guys. If you want to be able to see all the trades that I send, you guys can also just check the trading log track record. That's why it's also there. You guys can see when I take my trades. But you see, there's been this month we've traded gold, GBPJPY, GU, gold. Oh, it says right here. For GJ, we've taken 5 trades this month. For gold, we took 4 trades this month, and for GU, we took 1. 70% win rate on GJ, 80% win rate on gold, 100% win rate on GU because we only took 1 trade. Guys, so for the VIP channel that I have right now, we are going to purchase an FTMO account. Right now, I'm going to go get my wallet, and I'm going to take off this sweater because I'm very hot. Fucking shout out to Amiri boys. Ooh, I'm in a good mood. I'm going to purchase my 100K account that I'm going to be doing with my VIP channel. Guys, I've done a series before where I take every single trade, sharing the lot size, sharing how much I'm going to risk, showing you guys the account metrics. It's literally, I'm going to pass my own FTMO account. I've already done this live with you guys. I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to show you guys every single trade that I take, when I close, when I open my trade, you know, the analysis before, the analysis after, like step by step how I pass my FTMO challenges. And I think that's going to be a really dope thing to do with my VIP channel. Oh my God, price died. What a great close. So hopefully you guys could join the VIP. If you guys want to be a part of that, you guys could follow along with your account. And yeah, join the VIP if you guys want to be able to be part of that challenge pass series. We've done it twice already. This time is the first time that I'm going to make sure that it's on private Zoom with my VIP channels, where we're going to do private Zoom calls every single day. We're going to start our live stream with our private Zoom, and then later on, once we catch our trade or once we see our setup, we'll open up the public live stream, which is the YouTube live. And that's how we're going to start it off on Monday. So Monday we're going to start off with the Zoom before we even go on live stream. So by 2:30, I mean by 30 minutes before London Open, maybe even right an hour before London Open. Guys, this is the best GU entry I could possibly see right now. If you guys did not catch any trade, this is a valid trade. Very valid trade. What is the good stop loss? Stop loss being 10 pips. Fuck it, go 20 pips. 20 pip stop loss. A 20 pip stop loss. Jesus Christ, I did not see 20 pip stop loss. Like a 30-minute. Yeah, 20 pip stop loss should be pretty good on GU. Nonetheless, it might be a little bit early of an entry. Don't just pull the trigger. Right now, we already profited on GJ. GJ is majorly retraced. Oh wait, GJ didn't retrace. It was GU that retraced like that. Wow. Is that I usually have the SPX first. I need to fix my chart right here. GJ. I already closed this trade, so I'm not in GJ anymore. I already updated her spreadsheet. I'm so sure I have another win, but fuck it. I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't think I sent it to you guys, so I'm not gonna. Every trade that I send to the Discord or take live is gonna be on the spreadsheet. I'm not gonna put trades that I take by myself. That makes no sense. All the trades have to be accounted for by you guys. Yesterday, we caught this amazing gold long. I literally told people to hop in 15 minutes before the, like maybe 10 minutes before the news. And I literally entered right here, brothers. Everybody in the VIP, not every, I mean, there's only 6, I mean, I don't know how many people are in the VIP, but there was like fucking, I know that I saw like 6 people take this trade. And I had no take profit. I told everybody no take profit 1. So Frank asked, hey, you're just gonna put take profit 1? And I was like, no, Frank, you know that I don't ever put an official take profit or an official stop loss. Unless it's news. Yeah, I had an official stop loss because I understood that we could have gotten blown, but why would it, like, it makes no sense putting an official take profit whenever there's news, unless your official take profit is all the way wherever, you know. I actually closed probably like around this level right here. There was maybe a lot more to go. Nonetheless, I caught as much as I wanted to catch. Hey, how can I trade gold if I'm in the US? How does that make any sense? I'm in the US also when I trade gold. You got to use MT4. You got to make sure you're with a broker. Go on Hugo Sway, go on Capital, I don't know, check out different brokers. And hey fam, what to do? What? I thought that was Wednesday. Oh, this was Wednesday. Was it Wednesday? Yeah, it was Wednesday. I apologize. I don't know what's up with me. Guys, what are you guys' favorite brokers in the chat? What are the brokers that you guys recommend? Damn, this trade's down like in drawdown? Oh no, this is a GU trade. I did not stream yesterday. I felt very sick. Remember, I was sick on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday was the worst. I could not survive. I could not survive. I needed a break yesterday. I couldn't wake up. I couldn't open my eyes. Every time I opened my eyes were hurting. It felt like I had coronavirus type shit. Guys, we got 1,000, 1.2. Wow, dude. Everybody in the chat, make sure we subscribe. Turn on post notifications. We live stream every single day. If you guys want to check out our track record, you guys can see our track record above here. Well, it's in the spreadsheet section on the Discord. You guys join the Discord. Links are in the description. I'm pretty sure everybody has already seen all the fucking... We had a bunch of people that joined today. Wow. You gained 200 subs today. Can I do a quick analysis on gold? Yes, I could do a quick analysis on gold. So the best analysis that I have on gold, the kind of what I've shown is the best thing to look at it is on the higher time frames. Starting Monday, I told everybody I had a very strong feeling gold was going to go bullish. Gold has the same formation that GJ had, which was, this is it right here, a down channel, right? We have a down channel that got formed. The down channel then turned into a side channel, right? Side channel. And then now we have an up channel, right? That's very basic stuff. But what I want to show you guys is how a down channel, side channel, up channel is the same exact thing as a, guys, I'm not sure if you guys see this right here, upside down head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, upside down head and shoulders, however you want to look at it. So this upside down head and shoulders is the same thing as a down channel, side channel, up channel, right? What is this down channel? What is this upside down head and shoulders indicating? This down channel, is this the whole little market formation that we're having? If we look at the daily, all it's doing is indicating is that we are done with our bear run. So if we look, let's zoom out a little bit. This is the daily. We can see that this is clearly the impulse in the trade. Like this right here is a lot stronger of a direction than this. This is the correction phase. So this is our impulse, right? You want to look at the chart as impulse, correction, impulse, corrections, right? That's how we look at the charts, right? This is the bull, this is the correction, this is the pump, this is the correction, right? However you want to look at it. So this is the daily candlestick chart. We clearly see that there is a descending wedge being formed, right? This is a descending channel, descending wedge. We broke out of that already. And before we broke out of that, for confirmations to find that we're going to break out of that, this is what this upside down head and shoulders is doing. The upside down head and shoulders is telling us, hey, this is the bottom of the wedge. It's giving us confirmations. What does an upside down head and shoulders also do? If you guys think about it, this right here is a range, right? Price is in a range, right? I already gave this explanation earlier, but also, this is the same exact thing on GJ. I'm actually going to go to GJ after this and show you guys. Price is in a range. Sell at the bottom, buy at the top. I mean, sell at the top, buy at the bottom, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. Right? Price breaks beneath the range. That's the head of an upside down head and shoulders. It's a down channel and then it's a side channel. Once you're in the side channel, it's considered a range. You have a liquidity grab of the range, triggering people out of the trade into the trade. You know, grabbing liquidity, coming back into the range, and then it starts going to the top. So that is a down channel, side channel, up channel, and then also it's an upside down head and shoulders, and all it is an upside down head and shoulders is a range and price breaking beneath the range, and then so it's forming its market structure upwards. It all really just depends how you look at it, but they're all the same market structures. So that's the higher time frames on gold that have me telling me that I'm long, right? And then from the rest, it just comes down to how you execute about it. I don't like executing when price is already pumping to where I want it to go, so I'm not gonna buy while price is going upwards, and I'm not gonna sell while price is going downwards. Also, price is very overextended. I just wouldn't touch gold right now, truthfully. That's the top-down analysis of like what's happening on the higher time frames. But like when it comes down to taking a trade, so look, this is the GJ setup, guys. Let's look at GJ. We have now we look at the daily candlestick, right? The daily candlesticks are basically mostly bullish, right? We're basically bullish on the daily candlestick chart, just like we were on gold. But then when it comes down to, let's look at this 4 hour. Look how we also formed. We had a descending channel, right? Descending channel right here, right? This is descending channel. At the bottom of the descending channel, what do we have indicating us that we're at the bottom of our descending channel? What do? We wait for candlestick confirmations, and this is the confirmation that we had right here. Look at this shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, flight. This is a down channel, side channel, up channel, right? Same thing. What is a down channel, side channel, up channel? It's also the same thing as an upside down head and shoulders. And what is an upside down head and shoulders? It's also the same thing as us being in a range, right? This is the range, right? Right, this is the bottom of the range over there, top of the range over here, and then we have the us going into the range, trading within the range, breaking out of the range to just make a liquidity grab of the range, to then hop back into the range. If we do a liquidity grab to the downside, like if price goes down and then it rejects completely and it like does a liquidity grab, that means that price needs to go upwards, guys. That means that if we're grabbing liquidity from the downside, it's because price needs to continue upwards. So once we do our down channel, side channel, our side channel is also an upside down head and shoulders. You know, we come back into the range, we do that same market structure, the same thing that we saw on gold, right? It's the same thing we're looking at on gold right here. This is the head, this is the range right here. Broke out the range, down channel, side channel, up channel. Hopefully you guys are understanding what I'm showing you guys here. And that is another indicator that had me saying, hey guys, I think I'm very bullish on gold. And I told you guys early in the VIP chat, I think gold is gonna, I think GJ is gonna keep on going up. with this indication. You know, we're still in the side channel nonetheless, but the up channel still needs to get formed, or we have a lot more to recover, guys. GJ is going to start looking bullish. One's in the chat if that was a good explanation for you guys. Maybe if you guys understood. If you guys understood, it's a good explanation. You know, one's in the chat if you guys understood that. Two's in the chat if that was a little bit hard to understand. I apologize if it was. Wanda is regulated, but it is not legal. Citizens trade gold. Oh, I did not know that. Bullish lifestyle. What's your win rate, and do you have a public journal? How many signals? While I do have a public journal. While I usually take 1 to 2 trades a day. While if you want to check out my public journal is available in the Discord. So if somebody could send the Discord is in the description. If you want, I'll send the Discord. And beneath, this is the Discord link that you're going to see in the chat sent by me. And then also I'm going to send my public trading log, which is also right there. So you could find the public trading log with the link that I just sent you right there, or you could find my public trading log by going to the Discord section. You guys go to the Discord section, you just need to go down to where it says Forex signals and then go trading log. If you go to trading log, the first link that is shown, it is my trading log that it gets updated automatically. My win rate is above 80%. If you could say in April, we got a 9-win streak. We only lost 2 times. I only took 13 trades in April, so sometimes I don't take trades. And then if you look in May, then in May, we went on a 10-win streak, 85% win rate. We're all the way here in July. We have a 77% win rate in July, 10 wins, 3 losses, 4 break-evens. 2 of those break-evens went into take profit, and we actually held to the full take profit and live stream. We just considered it a break-even for the Discord channel for the people that are not managing the trade with us. Nonetheless, I'll take it. I don't give a fuck. And yeah, hopefully that was yeah, it's a good track record, so you guys can check out everything. Could I send my credit card details? Jesus. Oh, what drugs you on, mate? Taking millions and millions, talking millions of miles an hour. Yeah, bro. You just get used to repeating the same thing so much that you just try to get over it while you're saying it. I'm also, I'm very quick. I'm a very accelerated person when it comes down to how I go about life. I hate slow people. I'm at a Celsius. Empty. Ooh, GG's about to keep on going. Let's see what gold ended up doing. Gold's at another level of support. Don't do coke. Jesus Christ. Rockstar Life. How much caffeine is in Celsius? I have no idea. I didn't even know they had caffeine. Oh, it's hot in here, boys. I'm going to stick around the live stream a little bit longer with you guys. 1, because I'm going to roll up and smoke something to chill out. 2, because potentially we're going to catch another trade. Fuck, it's hot in here. Give me 1 second, boys. Hopefully my fan on, I just barely turned on the fan. Hopefully the fan on right now doesn't capture it in the mic. If it does, I'll turn it back off. I apologize. Boys. Hey, what you guys stream gonna be what you guys stream gonna be suspend? What does that even mean? You think I'm jumping back into GJ? So the moment I want to hop back into GJ, due to the fact that it hasn't retraced enough for me to be able to hop in. I had a feeling GJ was gonna do one of those bull runs where it doesn't really retrace and it doesn't really give you a major chance to be able to catch it like at the 50 SMA, and that's exactly why I hopped in over here at Resistance when I've been crying that I don't hop in at Resistance, but I had a strong feeling that it was gonna keep on being momentum. And that's the same thing right here. It's not giving you a big pullback. It's just being like, oh, you gotta ride the trend and just hope that it's gonna keep on going up. I don't really like. First, read it correctly. Hey, what you doing on stream? Hey, what you doing stream? Hey, what you doing stream gonna be suspend? I think I did read it correctly. I just don't understand it, my brother. I apologize. So, I'm getting confused. It hurts my brain trying to understand it. Hey, what you doing? Stream is gonna whatever I do on stream is gonna be suspended because of the music. That's what I could think of. What's your capital size at Bullish Lifestyle? I'm like funded, let's say 200. No, I'm funded less. I have like 3 accounts. I'm funded. I trade off 100K accounts though, so I only trade off my 100K account. I don't have a personal live account. Soon I'll have a I'm thinking about getting a personal live account, depositing 50,000 and then just fucking trading it live like you guys do with. I mean, well, how Dr. Dollar does. That's what Dr. Dollar told me to do. He recommended me trade a live account, and I have the means to be able to do it. I just don't. I don't know. The boy's fucking. Like, he has a fucking $140,000 account, $150,000 account, and everybody that trades live has like fucking $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 accounts. Fucking, so I just like trading with my 100K FTML and just running it the fuck up.
Chance, what's good? Bless up. Of course. Please do me a favor. Do me the biggest favor. Matter of fact, do yourself the biggest favor.
When can you explain your first win in July? Oh, can you explain your first win in July? How 1,300 pips? I don't think it was 1,300 pips. Oh, this is gold. This is basically like 130 pips. Entry at 1910, exit at 1923. I guess for gold it doesn't calculate the gold pips correctly. But this is gold. This is from 1910 to 1923. I could possibly find it, yeah. So if we go to gold, 1910 to 1923, that's way down here. Let's go to the 4 hour. 1910. 1910. Wait. Entry 1910 to 1923. That is a fat trade. That is a fat trade we took on gold from 1910 to 1923. So we took entries. It was either entries. Oh, I think it was this one's over here. I think it was this one's over here. This was me catching the bottom of the market actually. First trade we took was at 1910, right here. So it was maybe around here once we started engulfing around this 8 SMA. So this 8 SMA was resistance, right? And then I know we started trading above the 8 SMA. And then 1910, my stop loss, what was my stop loss? 1905. All right, so the stop loss wasn't too big, but 1905, right here. And then where did we close? I guess potentially the close was at 1922, it said. Angles. It was a clean. It was this. This was the trade that we caught. Something like this. First trade of July was like this. Also, I guess we saw that if we look at the 1 hours, the SMAs started trading into our favor, kind of like they did today. It's the same setup that we actually took today. It's the same exact setup that we actually took today. The SMAs are on the downwards, and the SMAs started playing out into our favor after we actually started engulfing. I remember this trade. I think if we go to our Discord section, was this a VIP signal? I think it was on the normal signals, admin signals. Oh my god, what did I just do? Whatever, fuck it. But I apologize. I guess I need to fix like the calculations. This should be 120 pips, not 100, or 130 pips, not 100, not 1300. It makes that automatically. I don't type that in. And that's why the gold ones, yeah, the gold ones are gonna always add an extra 0. This should be 100 pips, not 1,000. This should be 50 pips, not 500. This should be 30 pips. All the gold ones. So I apologize of the gold ones. W music taste. I appreciate that you guys have been enjoying the live. If you guys have been enjoying the live stream, guys, like it up. We got 110 likes right now. If you guys have been enjoying the live stream, enjoying the fucking vibes, if you guys learned something, if you guys have walked away with some value, like up the stream, boys. Help support the channel. Helps the algorithm. We have gained a whole bunch of subscribers today. I don't really know how to track that. My team does though. So thank you guys for all fucking coming and subscribing. If you guys subscribe, make sure you turn on post notifications, turn on this little bell. This little bell will tell you every time I start the live stream. I usually start my live streams like an hour into the London session or an hour before London session. So it's like within that 2 hour period. Ooh, this reel started doing pretty good. Some advice is I'm about to start the FTMO for the first time. if you're about to start the FTMO for the first time, what I really expect you to do is try to make sure that you try to be consistent with how much you're risking on every single trade. Try to risk a certain amount, whether it be, you know, 0.5% to 1%. Make sure you're risking that same amount, and whatever you're risking, make sure your stop losses is that same exact amount. And like, you know, don't get scared off 1 loss, don't get scared off 2 losses, don't get scared off 3 losses. If you manage your risk correctly, being down 3% on FTMO means nothing. We already had to reach 10% to 8%, so you being down 3% just means that you have to do the same thing that you actually did before, just a little bit more. It's like you still already had to put yourself hella into profit. So don't ever get upset whenever you start out an FTMO and drawdown. I do a lot of my I'm doing an FTMO series with my VIP channel. If you guys want to see what I'm doing with the VIP channel, what the VIP channel offers, I'll send you guys the link right now where you guys can check out what it says. But what I'm doing with my VIP channel starting Monday is I'm going to do 100K. I'm going to do a 100K challenge, and I'm going to share with you guys every single trade that I take, showing you guys the lot size, showing you guys when I open the trade, when I close it, sharing, like, you know, it's just like literally the full transparency of when I open my trade, when I close my trade, and how much I'm risking per trade. It's going to be dynamic because I'm going to rack up a little bit of percentages, 1%, 2%, 3%, then maybe risk that 3% for 6%. Like, I'm going to just show you guys live how I pass my challenge. I've already done this before with my live stream. I've done it for free. This time, it's not that I'm charging people to do it, but I'm doing it with my VIP. My VIP is where I'm going to be going on private Zooms every single day. My private Zooms are going to be lasting longer than my live streams, so that is where we're going to be doing all that yippee stuff. It should start on Monday. It could start on Monday or Tuesday. There was no rush for it. I wanted everybody that was in the VIP. I kind of wanted to like marketing it in a way so people could have an incentive, because last time a whole bunch of people followed along with our trades and we put a whole bunch of people into profit and stuff. And I think it'll be a good way for you guys to join along. So like, yeah, I'm trying to wait for people to join along. Set an account to the side and try joining along. When am I going to do that? Next week for sure. So if you guys want to be a part of that, check out the VIP. Honestly, the VIP pays for itself. It's not a, you do private Zooms and I'll get us private room. Oh, what? Jesus Christ. Hello from Malaysia. Hello from Florida. We're out here in Florida. It is 5:50 in the morning where I am at. We do this every single day though, so I'm not even tired. I'm about making money. Laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. From Slovakia, that's dope. How many days do I think it'll take to pass the challenge? It really just depends on what the market presents. Sometimes it takes like around a week. Sometimes I remember last time we literally traded for like 3 weeks and we ended up in break even. Then we traded after them. The next one we opened it and we passed it the same week. Then we passed in my Forex funds the same day after that. Like, it really just depends on what the market presents and how we go about executing. Yo, Bull, you should link up with Wix 9 in Florida. Sick trade. Thank you so much. It's your birthday in 17 days. Look at that, Blue. I want to hit a fat trade on your birthday. I love that that's what you're thinking about. Love the shirt. Yes, sir. You already know, brother. Damn, never seen so many people here before. Nice to see you run up the views, Zunkin. You deserve it. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, Bleach. We were at 130 something. This is a beast of a trader. Thank you, thank you, brother. Thank you. We actually caught this trade live together. I called out gold longs. Some people took the gold longs and profited. I called out when it was like right here. And then after that, I never took the trade. So then we just ended up taking GJ longs, and it took like around like 40 minutes to hit. But it hit. I'm seeing if GJ's potentially gonna have. I'm waiting for volatility, guys. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but volatility has completely died down in this session. Volatility came while we were in our trade. I mean, we were in a trade and volatility was gone, right? We looked like we were going into drawdown. We actually suffered little to no drawdown. Volatility came and randomly pushed us to take profit. Volatility died down after we closed our trade, and up to the moment, we've just been spectating. So patience has paid off for anybody that has been observing and not taking any random trades, because price has literally just been ranging. It's gonna go up after news today. What time do we have news today? I'm gonna open that up right now. Forex Factory. Let's see. I could take this YouTuber here. Let me open up. Forex Factory says that we have news at 8:30. We have 10 at 10 o'clock. We have red folder.
I be looking at the top and girl, it's only ice. All I need is your choice. And girl, I told you once, don't make me tell you twice. I know you see this print through my pants that I know you like. And your ass be looking so fat when it be in the taste. And I'm going straight to the top, so you ain't afraid of heights. You always keep me right, for a fact you never left. Through all the trials and tribulations, always had my best. So here's 5,500, go and get
His boy does. Wait, it's gonna pick up after the news. Why don't you go live during New York? So I don't go live during New York because, guys, I have a friend that goes live during New York. His name is Miguel. He has a very good track record. If you guys go to the bottom, you guys can see it's in like the Spanish section. He speaks English, but he markets it as the Spanish section. If you guys check out the first link in his trading log section, he has a signal section where he sends his trade. You guys can see that for the month right now, Miguel, who goes live during New York session, so he's the Bullish Lifestyle New York streamer. Right now, this is his track record for the month, guys. He's actually on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 win streak. He's on a 5 win streak, and he has only 2 losses for the month. So the young buck is becoming a young bull. The young buck is becoming a young bull. A lot of people really do enjoy his stream, especially because he's a lot more I don't know who's really more dynamic. I don't know what you guys take out of like us having our trading styles. All I know is that he's a really good trader who I could put my my word behind him, and I don't know what the fuck you want to call it. I consider him a valid trader, very good valid trader. I've seen him do great stuff on live accounts. If anything, the only thing that's just improving little by little, day by day, is just the way he explains things. But he has every skill that's possible to become a fucking amazing trader. Like, he is an amazing trader. Now, amazing trader doesn't mean amazing mentor. I'm not saying he isn't an amazing mentor. He's a fucking great teacher. He really knows that. He's been calling out trades left and right. If at one point, that's all you really need. He don't speak fast. And that's why some people like him more, bruh. You guys are so funny. 992 is hilarious, bro. This is the guy who, I think 992 is the guy that likes R. Kelly. Or is that somebody else? I know there's a guy in our chat that likes R. Kelly. Why is there nothing in June? Because in June, I don't know. I didn't ever update it in June, and then I was gonna update it, and I didn't update it. And it's not that we had a bad record in June. People would have remembered if we had a bad record. In June, we only had, I think, 3 losses. I just don't have the fucking stats for it, and I do have the stats for it. I just have to go to my admin signals and put it one by one, and I haven't done it out of laziness. If it really affects people, which it probably really does affect people, I'm gonna make sure that I go on my admin signals and I track every single trade back down, and I put the information that I could find. I'm just kidding. I went and guys, so for me to update the spreadsheet, I need to click on a certain link. And I opened up the spreadsheet link that I sent to you guys that gets updated automatically off like the first link. So I accidentally opened up the wrong link, right? And I spent like fucking an hour typing in all the information, and then just close it and realized it didn't save because I didn't type it in the correct link that I was supposed to. And that's when at that point I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it all over again later, and I never did it. I remember. That's exactly what happened on GJ. I fucking updated my whole spreadsheet, took fucking forever, and then I know where I got fucked.
Turn the wrist into a lean house. This the 6th time
Yeah, his name is Miguel Gomez. If you guys want to find out where the New York streams happen, I could send you guys there right now. That is where we stream New York session. If you guys enter and start speaking English, he's gonna speak English to you back. There's a whole bunch of people that speak only English, like Frank, and they try to understand his Spanish stuff. That is the link for Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish. We stream New York sessions there. You guys already got to see his Discord section and all the signals he sends. He's on a very hot streak. Yeah, that's where you guys find that. Guys, GJ is going back. All right, GJ's at where we closed at Take Profit. Does anybody hop into... He mainly speaking English, to be honest. LOL. He's called Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish, but he's been mainly speaking English. I think it's just because there's not so many Spanish people in there, and he's trying to also just maintain like the engagement with you guys. Because he works for Bullish Lifestyle. I mean, he basically owns Bullish Lifestyle. Like, he's basically my partner in Bullish Lifestyle. So obviously he cares as much as you guys as I care about you guys. His name is just...
Got some bitch with violence with us. She gon' fuck your squad with us. I'ma fuck her bras with us. Bitch from Pakistan with us.
He also speaks Punjabi. Is Punjabi an actual language? I have an editor of mine who I call Punjabi, and I call him Punjabi because Dr. Dollar calls him Punjabi. He's Dr. Dollar's editor, one of Dr. Dollar's editors. He edits for me also, and his name in the contact is called Punjabi. Oh my god, it's an actual language. So maybe it's a fucking... That's kind of... I exposed Dollar then for being rude. Alright, I could chill now. I just barely finished doing what I needed to do. Let's sit back. Let's look at GJ. Let's look at gold. Let's see what gold did. Gold looks like it's still, guys, high key. Imagine this is the gold. This just looks like Fibonacci long 0618 rejection zone right here. This looks like it could be a gold long, boys. Now, would it be very aggressive and very scary? 100%. Would it be fun to take? I will tell you that I could call this signal out, but I will not be executing with it myself. And that's why I don't like fucking calling out trades. Guys, one thing that I won't do for people that do not join my VIP, guys, I will not just be like, all right, because I have a VIP channel. This is where I'm going to send all my trades, my main trades, my best trades, A+ setups. I'm going to limit the amount of trades I send to the public part of the Discord. But that doesn't mean that when I send a trade to the public Discord that it's a bad trade. If I ever call out a trade or I send a trade, it's due to the fact that I think it's a good trade. So that's why in my signal section, sometimes there's days where you're not going to see a signal. Why? Because I didn't have a good trade to send to you guys. I'm not going to just be like, oh, this is a possible trade, and I don't care if I lose. No, I care if I lose. I care if I lose if it's for free, if it's a free trade, if it's a trade that's not tracked. I care if I lose. Therefore, I'm never going to send bullshit trades. So also, just so you guys don't think that I'm fucking leaving the public free chat just for to die and making everybody join the VIP. You guys don't want to join the VIP, don't need to join. You guys have learned a lot of value, and our live streams are just going to be less. You're going to be with me for like 30 minutes to an hour every single day instead of 3 to 4 hours. But yeah, within that time, you're still going to be able to learn a lot and be able to catch my trade. That's what I call them. I call them A+ setups. I only send A to A+ setups on my personal on the VIP. And then whenever we're taking live trades, I go for B to B+, A setups, you know. I will join Monday morning, brother. As in, you're going to join the live stream or the VIP? I'm just wondering. 21. VIP, nice, brother. Well, there's also a week free trial right now. The week free trial is not going to be available on Monday. Nonetheless, if you're going to join, you're going to join. But right now, if you join right now, there's a week free trial where you have the VIP for a week free. Then you could get charged, or you could cancel if you don't like what you're getting from the VIP. The VIP is where I want you guys to be able to like fucking turn on your guys' mics, unmute your mic, and I want you guys to be able to be on stream and ask me questions, share your screen with me, and that's like where you guys can get literally personalized classes with a small room of people. Like that shit fucking, my one-on-one classes are like $100 an hour. You being in my VIP, that costs $50. If you're on live stream with me every single day, you literally have hours and hours and hours to be able to ask me anything you want, and I'm obviously going to answer and give you my full attention, because that's what the VIP is, for a full personalized mentorship. I don't think today we're gonna do VIP. I think the whole week today, this whole week, we were just taking advantage that there was a week free trial. So the week free trial was just for everybody to like. I wanted a whole bunch of people to join the weekly free trial, and I wanted to show them what they were gonna get. And I think that that's what we're doing here on this public live streams, which is just showing everybody what they're gonna get. Hopefully by next week, everybody. The last 3 times that I did the live streams, nobody really turned on their mic, and I understand how obviously everybody has their own life going on and stuff like that. But I'm trying to make sure that we get like a trading room actually a lot more active. Like I want people sharing, and I want people learning, and like the more questions one random person asks, the more other people that aren't asking questions are gonna look at those questions and like learn off the same thing. Like I just want there to be a lot more of feedback and like back and forth. So hopefully you guys got mics and like cameras and everything ready, so we could actually like, you know. So I'm not doing week free trial next week. I think that next week, starting Sunday, Monday, the week free trial, I'm not gonna have it there anymore. Like if you want to be a part of it, you have to pay up front, whatever. Because I feel like some people, I don't know if there's a glitch in the system. I'm not sure if the system lets you do it or not, but my roommate told me no. My roommate, my fucking co-partner told me that it shouldn't let you be able to like get another trial, cancel, get another trial. Is Miguel also doing Zoom with you? So Miguel has his own Zoom that you could get privately Miguel Zooms, or you could get privately my Zooms. Each cost $50, or you get both of our Zooms together for the bundle of $75. And we already have some people that have purchased that one already, like Frank. I'm not really sure who else, but I know that Frank's one of the first people that purchased that one. So shout out to fucking Frank for supporting the fucking everything, brother. I fucking love you, Frank. I gotta fucking, oh no, it's Tamilius that plays golf. I want to play golf with Tamilius one day. And Frank, we gotta have dinner in London one day. Lunch. So we could like trade London session. Definitely, you'll make me go pro? Don't tell me that. Tamilius, don't tell me that, because I'll fly out to you and we'll spend a whole weekend together. Miguel, you're on the 6-win streak, brother? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this updated? No, how is he gonna update it? I'm next to the setup. I think Miguel's on a 6-win streak, boys. About to be 7. Miguel's about to be on a 7-win streak, boys. I was already showing them your action, Miguel. Don't think I'm here. We already caught a trade live on GJ Boys. For everybody who is new here, I apologize that we have not caught a trade live. We were at 130 viewers at one point, 130 viewers, and we fucking caught this trade live in front of everybody. Everybody fucking loved it. If you guys look at the Discord, and go to the Get Started section. Well, look at all the people that joined today. This is all at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. We slaughtered it on live stream. So this is today at 2. So the first people that joined were at 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 people joined our Discord today. And we also gained like 200 plus subscribers today. 200 plus subscribers. Because our subscribers are at 1.15 and we had 80. Like we had less, I don't know. That is crazy, boys. Thank you guys so much for fucking supporting the fucking channel. Literally. Fucking everybody who's been here since the beginning of the live stream. Us not catching trades or catching trades. I'm gonna repeat to you guys where you guys could find Miguel's stream on New York session for everybody who's wondering where that 7-win streak came from and all that. I'm gonna send you guys the link again right now to the comment section. You guys could turn on post notifications. I am sometimes in his live streams. I haven't been lately, but a lot of the times I'm in his live streams, just hanging out. That's the bullish lifestyle in Spanish. You was at 1.9 when I first joined. Nice. Will I be thinking about GJ sells at that level? Atlas, the only reason I don't like GJ sells at any of these levels is due to the fact that I already came to a conclusion that GJ, look at our SMAs on the hourly, right? Look at this hourly. Our hourly 50 SMA is completely down here, and our 8 SMA is riding. So everything is just like strong levels of support that are riding upwards, right? Remember this upside down head and shoulders? It's still kind of playing out, as in like there's just so much buying power, and price is actually bullish. That me taking any sells would be kind of like very counter trend. And what very counter trend right now against all this bullish momentum would mean that there's a very strong chance you get clapped. So right now it's like where you have to be patient, and this is where, look, I would have gotten clapped on that GU trade. This is where like it comes down to like where beginner traders like end up blowing a whole bunch of accounts. It kind of just comes down from being impatient and like trying to be in a setup all the time and kind of trying to be in a trade all the time. It's not like this. There's a lot of the times, guys, where there's no trade to take. Like right now on GJ, there's absolutely no trade to take. Not whether it's a buy, whether it's a sell, it's not a good buy, it's not a good sell. It's not a good trade at all. Whether it hits or not, this doesn't make it a good trade. Peter, hello Duncan, you keep forgetting about me. I was the first one with Miguel. I'm sticking with Miguel. Oh my God, Peter, I apologize. Peter, I was getting you confused with Paris. There you go. Peter and Paris get me confused. Peter, where are you from? And Paris, where are you from? Peter and Paris are the ones that always get confused, and Paris is not in the thing. Peter's the one in the thing. Peter was the first one. Pete, where are you from, brother? I said Pete. I think Miguel's live streams get shut down every single day. If you go to his lives, he gets like his things get blocked. Mine's get blocked a lot of the time, but not all the time. So that's why none of his live streams appear. I don't know why the algo just don't like the boy. I feel like it's because I talk so fast and talk so much that like the whatever's trying to like catch the music and like trying to block, like it just can't, because I'm just providing so much words and captions to the fucking AI that's listening that he's getting so confused, and then he blows his brains out because he don't even want to listen anymore. Because I'm like $1, $1, $1, $2, $2, $2, and he just, you know, Miguel probably has a lot of silent moments where the algo is listening to the music he's putting, and then they just like fucking shut down his shit. Nice, Peter. And why'd you change your residence to Paraguay? Why is the Paraguay passport stronger, or why is it in your favor to have a Paraguay passport? Tax purposes, nice. And how's Slovakia as a country? Is Slovakia a nice place to live? Miguel flipped the oh, no he didn't. Oh, no he didn't. Wow, gold's actually gonna go again. I'm also from Slovakia. Wow, it's fucking awesome. About to start fucking doing some marketing to Slovakia. Well, it's not bad, but I find everything else better. Yesterday you caught a signal with Miguel and made $200+. AFX says he did also. Jesus Christ. Same. Damn, bro. Oh, you're Slovakian too. Jesus Christ. What the hell? Guys, for anybody who does not have my personal Instagram or wants to have the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram, we're posting content on there every single day. So if anybody who is new here, you guys make sure you guys follow the Instagram. We post every single day stuff there, whether it's from the giveaways, whether it's from reels that we post every single day. It's a dope ass Instagram, so make sure you guys join the Instagram. Link is in the description. I'm gonna send the Discord link again just in case somebody's not in the Discord where we're communicating and doing all the stuff that we're doing. And yeah, Let me see what else I got to do. Wow, GG's going.
I just poured something in my cup. I didn't want something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your palm don't make you real. Put it on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the swat, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand don't make you real.
All right, I apologize. Free signals. That's where everything is. Let me see what it. 613. Wow, so somebody did join when I sent that Discord link. So you see, I keep on sending the Discord link to the goddamn YouTube chat, and then we have people joining. Guys, on the Discord link is where you're gonna find me sending signals constantly. If you guys check out our signals track record, is what we've all been talking about. Our signals track record is flawless. So it's whether it's just keep on tracking like what we're doing, or whether it's because you want to have your own trading log. Guys, if you guys don't have your own trading log, we also offer a trading log. It's a free Discord channel. All you need to do is just click, make your own Discord. Discord is where everybody has like communities where people trade on. It's like the main trading community platform. I'd say, well, it's not a trading community platform. Nonetheless, everybody got a Discord. Everybody need a Discord in their life. If you don't got Discord, you need Discord. It's like Google, right? So in the Discord section, you guys can find the trading log section. You guys can have your own trading log as well. Right here, there's a link that if you guys click it, you guys could save this exact trading log to your computer, and you guys could track your trades, and you guys could be able to see how you guys are performing and stuff. Shout out to everybody who's having a good Friday. Good morning to everybody, or yeah, good morning to everybody who's having a good Friday. Or good afternoon to whoever is already, you know. We, yeah, we're just getting started, boys. We're literally just getting started. Can't wait till next week. I want to pass another 100K account live with you guys. I think that's gonna be dope as fuck, because I know a whole bunch of people are gonna follow along this time, even more than last time. This trade is fucking obliterating. Look how GJ never, guys, look how my entry was the best retracement. Oh, my entry possibly was the best retracement entry that GJ was gonna give, which was this retracement right here. There was no other retracement after it. Like, prices just stayed above this 8 SMA. And look how price is riding above the 8 SMA, guys, riding above the 8 SMA. It's a picture perfect, easy trade. 125 likes, boys. 25 more likes, and we're gonna give away a VIP today. We will give away a VIP today if we reach 25 more likes. So if anybody is in the stream and did not like it yet, if you help us get to 150 likes, we will give away a VIP. Yesterday we gave away 2 VIPs, or not yesterday, the day before we gave away 2 VIPs. Miguel, I need to send you the Discord names of those people because I have not added them to the VIP because I do not know how. So if you can help me with that anytime today, so they don't think that I'm scamming them, let's get them added in the VIP, please. Life couldn't get better. Guys, gold looks so good right now. High key gold looks really good. Liked, love it. Thank you, Steven. 31. Guys, we need literally 19 more likes. Look at this gold. I wouldn't be surprised if this shit just flies. Are you in gold? I did not execute on gold. I like this. I like the setup though. I like the setup a lot. I would not risk more than a full % on gold. I don't right now. It's a really risky time because all across all the board on all pairs, prices like died down a little bit, and I guess if the big volatility push comes, it could push price upwards and just let it fly. But like I said, gold has a mind of its own right now. It's a valid setup. Nothing's not valid about it. Just my execution right now is like I already made what I needed to make, and right now the market is like volatility is completely dead, which has me scared. Check GU. Oh my God, GU is recovering everything. Wow, GG's about to go, I think, even more. Oh my God, GU is pumping hard. Look at GJ. Yeah, GJ's pumping. And look at gold. Gold's pumping. One of the first things I told the VIP channel of the night was, I said GJ's gonna keep on pumping. We're gonna take longs until the weekly turns bullish. Somebody said that they were in a GJ long, and I sent them my spread. I sent them my P&L, and I was already in a GJ long. Miguel hit TP. Damn, Select Vaga, you did. Damn, so Miguel, what did Miguel just hit? Damn, dude, look at everybody following along with Miguel's trades, boys. What the fuck is he selling on? What is that? Sell on GJ. How did a sell on GJ even happen? How did this trade even hit? Oh, this was yesterday. And this was yesterday also. So what am I missing? I think it's here. GJ buy at 550. Oh, he got this retracement. Wow, why the fuck didn't he come and tell us to buy on this live stream? He could have gotten a whole bunch of people money in the stream. You're a clown, Miguel. You love hopping on and just being in a trade behind my back. Peter! Yeah, Peter is the OG, brother. Send Peter a friend request.
What? This shit funny. I was like, ooh, that nigga's strong as fuck, boy.
She told me to part with the bird, and nobody gets hurt.
I'm not fast, so I'm making it worse. Now I'm digging up a grave for my past. I'm a whole different person. It's a gift and a curse, but I cannot reverse it.
Alright guys, I'm potentially going to call out another gold trade. I'm not in this trade right now, but if price keeps on coming down, I think I'm going to be able to call out a gold trade. I am down to call out another trade today to add it to the spreadsheet and keep it going. Miguel wants competition, I'll give him competition. Let's see who can get the biggest win streak. Before he hits the 10 win streak, I need to catch up real quick. So let's try to see how many fucking bangers we can catch today. You guys wanted the fucking Wraith? I'll bring the Wraith. I'll bring the fire. I'll bring the goddamn fire. Wild is a part of the VIP now? For real, bro? Shout out to Wow, bro. Hopefully on Monday you have a fucking mic or you have something so we could chop it up on live stream on the private Zoom. And I look forward to making more money with you, brother. The VIP chat is growing, guys. Our Zooms are going to be lit. That's exactly what I want. It's worth every penny to join both VIPs. Guys, with Miguel slaughtering the way he's slaughtering, I think it is worth to join every VIP. I'm not sure how it works if you join one, if you guys could join the other with just paying the difference. I have no idea. Nonetheless, for anybody that wants to know what we're talking about and does not even know how much the VIP cost, I don't like speaking to the price on stream. The price, everybody on stream knows the price. You guys could say the price in the comment section. But I just prefer you guys clicking on the link to see what's up. And also, guys, join the Instagram. I know, dude, last time when we were doing the giveaway, guys, we did the giveaway, right? And I told everybody, guys, I said, if you guys are in the giveaway and you guys win the giveaway, I will not give you the money if you guys do not follow my Instagram, right? That same fucking, I got off stream and I look at my Instagram. Yo, I gained like 40 plus followers. I was like, how the fuck? It's 50 bucks. It's 50 bucks. I'll say it. I was like, how the fuck in the world are there so many people watching somebody and they don't even wonder? Like, the first thing that I do when I see somebody on stream or I see anybody anywhere, like social media, on a movie, the first thing I do is I check out their Instagram to see what they about. Sad thing. That's the way this world came to. So if you want to see what we're about, what I'm about, go to them. Go join the Instagram, bro. Oh, Paris, you're fucking awesome. This guy. Well, make sure you guys strategically get the VIP when you're strategically using an account that you're going to be taking multiple of our trades with, or you know, like, because it would be really, like, I don't know, like if you guys would have been taking every single trade that we have taken. Miguel's maintained above 80% win rate. I've maintained above 80% win rate. You know, like, there's win streaks that we do hit. Now, I don't want you guys to fully rely on us. I don't know if that's the way to do it, but if you do it, make sure that you take the trade on a separate account. You don't fuck with that account, and you be patient. You don't get mad about the losses, just like you won't get mad about too happy about the wins, because yeah, it's important in trading to make sure that you guys don't get too excited about your win. Don't get too upset about your loss. And how do you do that? You can find the perfect amount of risk, right? Whenever I hit TP1, I'm not so excited due to the fact that I don't care. Like, it won't change my life and it won't change my account too much, making that 1% or making that 2%. But it's the same thing if it hits my stop loss. If I was ready to risk that 1% to 2% on my trade, once it hits my 2%, I like, it's totally fine. It's a part of trading. There has to be losses for the wins to come. Like, statistically wise, like, you can't just win every single trade. So whenever I hit a loss, I'm like, all right, it's just a part of like the process. You know, it's like I don't know, it's a stupid analogy, but it's like when you're driving and you get hit with a red light, you get upset you're at the red light. It's like, if you get upset, you're just beating yourself up. Yeah, so you get lucky, you hit a bunch of green lights on the street and it feels great when you're hitting the green lights. But you know, you don't fucking go underneath a green light and you're like, oh, that was awesome, it was a green light, not a red. No, because it's just, you know, it's just like the same thing, you know. Like, don't get too excited when you hit take profit. Don't get too upset. And how? With risk management, finding that perfect amount that you are ready to risk. You know, it's about finding that perfect risk tolerance. How many days do you need to trade on your verification out of my Forex funds to pass it? I'ma shoot first. I done fucked up, they got me in the coop, sir. Tori. Burn, let it shoot. I'm staying when I'm running at the coop. 12 more likes for a giveaway. Sheesh. Less. Guys, we have 139 likes. 11 more likes and we could do a giveaway. We could do a VIP giveaway. Miguel, if you're in the chat, please help me fucking figure out the people in the giveaway for the VIP. I have people that need to be need to be in the VIP already and they're not. Let me try to find them. I can't find them. Damn it, I hate this. If anybody that I owe a VIP to is in here, Filthy or this other guy. Oh, one of them is right here. Phil, what the fuck? Just for content, what they have at the border. Miguel, I'm sending to your Instagram. I'm not even sure if you're here. I'm sending to your Instagram. He needs to be in Discord. Oh, in VIP. And then there was another guy. It's okay. Not gonna have volunteer. Is it challenge? Is it a challenge account for? No, the giveaway is for the VIP. For a VIP monthly mentorship, guys. I apologize for not having anything on the screen. I apologize for not even catching a trade with you guys recently. Right now, I kind of think if I would have tried to call out any trade, I would have most likely gotten clapped unless it was a GJ long, which I run red lights, no cop, no stop. High key, me too. All right, last time I'm gonna send the Discord. How many likes do we got? 142. Come on, 8 more likes, boys. 8 more likes and we run a giveaway. Look at that. Wallet in here. Ooh. That boy part of the community, bro. That's far as fuck. $6.30. Is that, dude? Every time that I say it's the last time I'm gonna send the Discord link, there's still people that join the Discord. It's fucking hilarious. It's crazy. Well, thanks to everybody who's been a part of the live stream since the beginning. We've been live for 3 hours. Literally, we've had no fucking negativity in the comments. We've had a whole bunch of engagement. Even when I've been here just talking shit, we haven't had people been like, yo, take a trade. Bro, can you teach me how to trade? Yes, I can. Now, if you want, I offer one-on-one classes. You want to talk to me about that, you could DM me through any of my personal Instagrams. If not, I think a lot of people join the live stream and they learn how to trade just off being on my live streams. On my live stream, when there's a lot more going on and I always hop on, analyze the market, and we take to 1 to 2 trades live. Now, if you want to be able to like get more of a personalized mentorship, and you could join my VIP. My VIP, we go on private Zooms. On those private Zooms, you'll be able to share your screen with me. You'll be able to like literally go back and forth with me. Well, being on the VIP is just like being in a fucking one-on-one class. It really just depends if you're one of the people that are gonna unmute their mic and ask a whole bunch of questions in front of everybody and try learning more. But I'm always willing to break down your guys' charts and give you guys my opinion and teach what I know. Still streaming any more trades? Potentially there's gonna be more trades up to the moment. We have not been able to see anything different in the market. Like, we've understood that GJ is gonna go longer the whole time. We thought gold was gonna keep on going long, but gold looks like it might retrace right now. Gold looks really risky to take a trade on. GJ has been pumping without us because we closed already. It's not too far away from where we closed. Nonetheless, it kept on going. So the thing that we could be waiting on is probably taking an SPX long. I have a feeling SPX is going to go very long. SPX is actually at a great level to take a long right now. Literally, dude. But these stop loss, look how it's pumping as we speak. Look, this SPX trade is gonna fucking fly, bro. Wow, I'm gonna come back to it like in 3 minutes. But SPX is not even. We should be trading SPX like in an hour. I think it's an hour too early to trade SPX. But look at this hourly, dude. It's pure momentum in that bitch. It's gonna probably try to engulf everything that's right here to the left. Everything on the hourly candlestick chart has been respecting the 8 SMA. We've been respecting along the whole thing, man. Easy, easy, easy pump trade. Market open, boom, flies. Are you trading ICT or price action? I trade pure price action. I trade mainly price action. I'm not even sure what ICT is, but that's a good thing that I don't know what ICT is. Unless I probably do trade ICT also. Who knows? Hello and thank you for all. But if you want to know a little bit of how I trade, you guys could just keep on joining to our lives. If you guys want to see our trading track record, you could join our if you want to see all the trades that I have taken on live stream and see my track record, I'm going to send that right now to the comment section where you guys could literally see all the trades that I take and our track record. You could also find that on our Discord where you guys could have your own track record. So make sure you join the Discord if not. And then the track record is right here. So yeah, man, like in April we went on a 9-win streak, hold 82% win rate. In May we went on a 10-win streak, 85% win rate. We're all the way here in July. We have 10 wins, 3 losses. We have a 77% win rate. Yeah, we're constantly slaughtering the market. We've been doing this. Oh, look at this, and gold decided to start going long. I would take another GJ long if price comes to like these levels down here, guys. Potentially these levels right here as well, where these wicks are. But anything else, guys, is very high risk, especially when I already took a win. I already took 2 wins. If you guys looked at my Instagram story, this is what I've got today. Oh. So this is the what? That's not. What did I? That was the first trade I took, a 2.5 lot, made me 1,000. And then we took this trade, and then I slaughtered a 3.4 lot, that made me another 1,000. Simple. Sakib says, "Hey, are we gonna look into get into any trades?" All right, let's go with gold longs, boys. Let's go with gold longs. Now, what do I think I should risk on gold longs? I'm only gonna risk 0.5%. Let me see my entry. I have not executed on this trade yet. So this is 1956.50. 1956.50. We could throw a stop loss at 1955. At 1954.50. All right, so it's like a 20 pip stop loss. It's going up a little bit. Let me bring out my phone. Hey yo, we taking I missed the GJ1. Also, you've seen FTMO have changed to unlimited days. Yes, I have. Guys, do not execute this trade yet. Do not execute this trade yet. Price is going down. I'll let you guys know when I execute on my phone. I'm pulling out my fucking MT4. So whenever I hop into a trade, guys, no, I did not buy yet. I will make it very clear when I buy. You guys will hear the pop on my phone, or I will just make it very, very clear by saying, guys, we're in this trade. We're in this trade. I'll cry we're in this trade. We're about to get into this trade. I just think that there might be one leg downwards, one more aggressive leg downwards, especially with that 10-minute flipping bearish. And then now I don't not like how these wicks look right here. Actually, we're not taking this trade yet, boys. We're gonna be patient. This wick and this wick, and now with this wick, those 3 wicks are telling me that price needs to come downwards a little bit more. I don't like how those 3 wicks look. This wick is fine. This wick is very scary, and then this one followed up by this previous, like this one being a continuation of that. I do not like it. This might come down a little bit more. SPX is going. SPX looks like a good trade, guys. I just don't know how to calculate lot size for you guys on this. But SPX is valid for long. Hopefully somebody throws a swing trade on SPX and profits, because I feel like SPX is gonna hit. I just don't want to trade on any of my accounts right now. What is the courses? What is the courses in the VIP? We have a bullish lifestyle course that is being completely finished now, but what the VIP has to do, the VIP is mostly the private Zooms. Like what the best part about the VIP is that we're going to be going, like, starting Monday, we're going to go live on a private Zoom, and on that private Zoom, we're going to be taking our trades there, and we're going to be working on making sure everybody makes money there, you know. And then after that, we'll be opening up the public YouTube live stream. And so everything that we've been doing here on YouTube is just going to now be on a private live stream, as well as I've done this multiple times for free, but now it's going to be private, where I'm going to buy a 100K account FTMO challenge, and I'm going to share you guys the lot size that I'm taking. I'm going to share with you guys when I'm going to close my trade, when I'm going to open it. I'm going to share with you guys literally, we're going to open up the account metrics every single day, and I'm going to show you guys trade by trade how I pass my FTMO challenge, how I change up my risk, and how I basically literally how I pass my FTML challenge. And there's a whole bunch of people that are going to follow along and take their challenges with me, and it's all going to be in a private Zoom where you guys could also ask me a bunch of questions and just get a full personalized mentorship where you guys could share you guys' screen. I could give you guys feedback on what I think about how you guys are charting up, or how you guys went about executing a trade. And yeah, so if you guys need just like a little bit one step more on the learning thing, and you guys need a little bit more of my help than we usually do get on this live stream, what time will this be? Just to check what time it equates in the UK. These private Zooms are going to be every single day, an hour before London Open or at London Open. Really just depends what the market presents to us. So London Open, just like I live stream every single day at London Open, now the live stream is going to start with the private Zoom. I'm going to be in a private Zoom chat, and then by the time we hit our trade or we understand what the market's waiting for, then later on we're going to go and hop in our then we're going to later on turn on the YouTube live stream. And we'll keep on the Zoom Discord so everybody could have their mics unmuted, everybody could have their cameras, and we could like be hanging out on live stream all together and stuff. 4 likes away from a giveaway. 4 likes, guys. 4 more likes. 6 more likes, guys. 6 more likes, and we're gonna be able to do a giveaway for a VIP monthly VIP membership. 7 more likes, boys. What the VIP also gets, guys, is just they get the best fucking win rate possible. Like, you guys literally get the best win rate when you guys are copying our trades. $152, guys. All right, we're doing the giveaway. Giveaway time, boys. We're gonna do a giveaway with the VIP, guys. 1. Last time we did 2. If you don't want the VIP, can you cash it? I do not think so. The only way you could cash the VIP is if you are in the VIP already. We're gonna put if you're a channel member, if you've been a member of the channel, you have 3 times more likely a chance to win. So if you've joined the live stream for the last few times, you're gonna have a higher chance of winning than the guy that just barely randomly joined today. Should I make it 4 times more likely? No, 3. 3 is fine. What is a regular? Oh. Guys, I just barely put for the mods to be able to join. My bad, mods, you guys could join now. Someone who shows up every single day is a regular. Just subscribed on everything. Thank you. Guys, I'm going to make this very clear for the VIP winner. If the VIP winner that we get does not follow the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram, you guys do not win the VIP. And if you guys follow after it, I'm going to be able to see that and you don't get the VIP. There was once where we did this giveaway and there was somebody who didn't follow and I couldn't give them the giveaway because they decided to follow after. So make sure you follow our Instagram. That's the only requirement that you need to be a part of this be a part of this giveaway. You need to make sure that you follow our Instagram. So I'm gonna send the Instagram right now to you guys. It's in the comment section. The comment section, it is gonna be spammed. Oop. I'm spamming the comment section with it. Did it work? I don't think it's working, or maybe it did work. Well, maybe the Instagram is not popping up. The Instagram is in the description. Jay-Z Pips, I did not forget about you. I have to give away Jay-Z Pips. I owe $50 to. I have his Bitcoin account that I was getting ready to send to. Jay-Z Pips, I apologize, brother. Yeah, I know it's been a fat minute. Huge apologies. Huge apologies. Someone who showed there, you know. Oh, this thing's like lagged behind. 1 second, boys. I need to turn this off. Guys, make sure if you guys win the giveaway and you guys are not a part. Oh shit, I need to do something here. Guys, everybody, one's in the chat. One's in the chat. We have 38 eligible users and we have 127 people. We already caught this trade on GJ. We're waiting for maybe a potential another gold long. Nonetheless, everybody, we had a whole bunch of people that ate already in this trade. They fucking slaughtered it. Gold is going down. Thank God we didn't end up taking that trade. That would have been ridiculous. If you guys are new here, all the links are in the description. We took this trade on GJ today. We usually take 1 to 2 trades a day. Our track record is right here, where you can see in April we went on a 9-win streak. May we went on a 10-win streak. Those are all the trades that are sent to our Discord and all the trades that are taken live. We're now in July. We have been 10 wins, 3 losses, 4 break-evens. 2 of those break-evens I told people to hold all the way to take profit, and I just considered it a break-even for the Discord, and we actually hit. So we actually have like 12 wins. But I'm gonna just put 4 there because I'm not gonna ruin the track record matches exactly on the Discord. I'm gonna make sure that holds to be true forever. So let's see, on Nightbot, we're about to do a VIP giveaway. We're going to give away one of their VIPs. We have everybody being eligible users, active user, yep. I guess we're gonna do the VIP in the next 2 minutes because there's no reason for us to try to get everybody. Nightbot, where is this? Forex trading. Yeah, so like I said, guys, if you guys win the VIP and you guys do not follow the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram, you guys do not win the VIP. I'm going to just roll it again. And we're going to check live with everybody. Live literally with everybody. So I'm sending the Bullish Lifestyle link right now to the comment section. If you get caught live not following Bullish Lifestyle and being a part of the giveaway, you are going to get caught and you're not going to win the giveaway. So make sure it's going to be, you guys, when you think you're not going to win is most likely when you win. So hopefully you don't get unlucky, win, and then don't end up winning for not following. So yeah, also make sure you guys join the Discord. If anybody is not in the Discord and they do not know where all these, where to find the spreadsheet, where all our trades, and you guys do not know where to find all this stuff, join our Discord. The Discord is in the link in the description. If not, I could send the link to you guys right now. Right here, Discord link is now in the comment section. We're about to give away a VIP right now, so. One's in the chat. Everybody, one's in the chat. If you want to be a part of the VIP, we got 47 eligible users. Let's do it. 2 minutes. I mean, less. 30 seconds. We're about to roll it. Joined. Beautiful. Make sure that you guys follow us on Instagram. Yes, sir. Good shit entry. All right, guys. We're going to roll it. 3. Oh, put up the music a little bit more. 3, 2, 1. Peter basically won $50. Peter's already a part of the VIP. Or Peter, yeah, Peter, aren't you already a part of the VIP? Peter won $50 because Peter's already a part of the, or Peter's not a part of the VIP. Miguel, what's up with Peter? Is Peter in the VIP? Might need to roll. If Peter's in the VIP, we're rolling another one. Roll again. We're rolling again. He won $50. We're rolling again, guys. Another roll. Another roll. Another roll. Another roll. Another roll. Wait. Let me. Now, channel member. I'm gonna put this down to 2 times. I'm like, all right, guys. Rolling one more time. Guys, remember, if you guys are not following the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram and you guys win, we're going to see live and you're not going to be able to take the win. All you have to do is click on the link that's in the comment right now section. It's in the comment section or it's in the description, and follow, because I'm going to check live. Can't follow after. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to follow real quick. I'm going to give you a few seconds to follow. Make sure you join the Discord if you guys are not in the Discord, boys. If you guys are not in the Discord, it is in the comment section as well, or in the description. Alright, let's roll. And we are rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, we need music, we need music, we need music, we need music. That, I like this song. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2. Num MLE, do you follow Bullish Lifestyle? Because if you do not follow Bullish Lifestyle, I am so sorry we cannot give you this VIP giveaway. I need you to send your Instagram name, and I will be able to verify if you followed after or before, because I know. Now let's give her a couple seconds to answer. If not, we're just gonna, I don't know who that is. Oh my god. Frank, isn't Frank a part of the fucking VIP already? Guys, we're rolling again, guys. Frank's a part of the VIP. At this point, this so right now I have for everybody who joins constantly. I have it right now for everybody who joins. Hey guys, another VIP member. I have it for regulars. Whoever's a regular, for it to have double the luck, not even triple the luck. It's whoever's a regular gets double the luck. But most of my regulars apparently are part of the VIP already. So at one point I'm gonna be fucking going broke if I let all the guys. We're rolling again. 3, 2. Oh my god! If another VIP member comes up, I'm done. Who's that? We have to check if this guy follows me. I don't want to give it to no random, bro. I'm trying to give it to fucking somebody who joins. You know, who is this? Is this guy? Does this guy follow me already? I'm checking my Instagram right now. Let's see. Reroll. Allah is saying W, but it might. Oh, the R. That's not him. We're rolling. Scopes. Oh, the other guy did follow. The other guy was valid. Hold up, we need to back out. We need to back out. Things getting crazy here. The chat is going crazy, boys. Who's Allah? Allah got on 2 accounts or what? Because Allah keeps on saying W, but that's not even the account that showed up. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Reroll until I see it. I think Allah is the active member though. There's a guy that says and Scopes wasn't active either. Roll until I see an active member. This guy said, "Where's my 50?" His name didn't even pop up. This guy's name didn't even pop up. Reroll. Reroll. He's on two computers typing on the wrong one. Scope's not here either. Alright, re-rolling, boys. Guys, if you don't follow Bullish Lifestyle on Instagram, boys, you are not winning the VIP. I promise you that. We ain't doing that. We got testimony. We got people here that really want to win, and they're fucking, they'll bite, bruh. Oh wait, I'm showing you guys the VIP, guys. Instagram. I'm selling the Instagram link. Make sure you guys follow the Instagram. If you guys don't follow the Instagram, you guys cannot win the VIP. Guys, a bunch of names are popping out. If you guys didn't think it might hit before, guys, your chances are getting, you know, closer and closer. You know, not slimmer, wider. So follow the Instagram. I'll give you guys a couple seconds before I roll that bitch. I'm about to roll that bitch again. I love hitting that button. It's like being at the casino. It's like just bam, bam. I'll keep on rolling all night if I could. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're rolling. I'm closing my eyes. All right, this guy got to type and show me, and what he types better be fucking his Instagram name so I can see he follows. Who's this guy, bruh? Who is this guy? Reroll, never seen his name. I love people. You guys are hilarious. Charming says Luke Holes Official. So I think that's his Instagram. I think he just barely typed in his Instagram. I just barely said Luke Holes Official. Let's see. Luke Holes. He follows Miguel. Say he valid. All right, he's valid, guys. He's valid. He's valid. You guys, I know that we want to. It's not working. The messages I'm seeing him type in the comment section, but they're not popping up on the screen right here, guys. And Miguel just barely checked. So, guys, everyone show some love to Charming for rank. He just barely joined the gang. He's a part of the VIP gang now. Hopefully, we'll see some action from him. Oh, look at that! Everything popped up. Charming, guys. Congrats to fucking y'all. You guys made my computer go crazy, bruh. Look at this gold trade that we never took. 200 likes, another giveaway. You guys are so funny, dude. There's 166 likes. That's crazy. Yo, shout out to all of you guys.
How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more. Jet ready, packed to go, y'all. People probably think I show off. I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit. Stand off the internet. Share the stage with Billie Eilish. Turn it any given time. Personal partners, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as we used to be. This shit slick divided. Bro ain't got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick to violence. I be on the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it.
How do I know if I'm in the VIP? I just signed up and messaged the bot and activated the code. So guys, if you guys are having any problems with the VIP, just message us at Bullish Lifestyle on the Instagram. Send us a message, and Miguel is also Miguel's gonna answer you right here. Miguel knows how to do it perfectly. I also know how to do it. Just actually, yes, I don't know how to do it. I'm pretty sure it's not hard because I did see the instructions, and I did get explained to it by the Bullish Lifestyle team. But just message at the Instagram because or is that he doesn't know your Discord, Miguel, or you could message Miguel at Discord. If you guys know Miguel's Discord, if you guys could just go to the comment section, Miguel, type in the free chat something, or if you guys go to where the admin signals are for the Spanish part, you guys just get VIP Espanol, go to the signals. It's this guy right here. Even if you don't win, it's still fun, dude. Even if I'm on the other side of it, just clicking the button is so fun. I fucking love clicking the button. All right, guys, it's 3 minutes until we get an hourly candlestick close. Pre-London, pre-New York is gonna start in basically 30 minutes. Oh, you got into the SPX. Oh, look at the SPX trade, brother. I was crying out for people to fucking hop into this thing. I just don't know how to tell you guys how many pips to risk here. 63, I guess, but that's like, I guess 40 pip stop loss would have been valid. Did anybody else hop into these SPX? Are you live on Discord? I am not live on Discord. I don't know what that means. Amazing news. Peter's gonna give his giveaway to somebody else. So more. All right, guys. Apparently, we're doing one more giveaway. Guys, we have 68 eligible users. Everybody, we're gonna do one more giveaway, guys. If you guys want to be part of this giveaway, it is another VIP. One's in the chat, boys. One's in the chat. One's in the chat. One's in the chat. Allah. I'm actually hoping Allah Abdugabar. Allah. I'm hoping that guy wins. That guy is OP. All right, guys. Make sure you guys are guys. Look how many fucking winners we've had. We're gonna verify everybody. If you guys do not follow Bullish Lifestyle, you guys are fucked. In front of everybody, you will get fucked. So let me go to. Does my description? It shows the Instagram. Our Instagram is in the description, boys. I should not have to send no more. Instagram is in the description. Make sure you follow. Make sure you follow. Make sure you follow. We're about to start this giveaway, guys. We called out the SPX trade. I wish I could put this into the trading log, but life doesn't work like that. Beautiful trade that's called out. I told you it looked picture perfect. So W to everybody who took this trade. All right, let's roll. We're rolling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The next winner that has to make sure they're following the Instagram is. Oh, that's a W, boys. That is a fucking W right there. Dark Water. Shout out to South Africa. This is a regular. This is somebody who comes and supports the channel. This is somebody who I want in this bitch. This is shout out to South Africa. W. This is a W. This is W. Fire. Guys, we're gonna do a whole bunch of giveaways because I mean, like the VIP is something that I want it to be a big group, guys. I want my VIP to have hundreds of people, right? So I'm gonna make sure I'm always giving away VIPs. So like, if you guys want to make sure you guys always have a chance to give every time I say I'm doing a giveaway, I always end up doing 2 or 3. So did I take SPX? I did not personally take SPX on my account. No, I would be lying to you if I said yes. So no, but I called out the trade. I told everybody that it looked picture perfect. I said that I just didn't know how to tell you guys how many pips stop loss to take. I said I like a fat stop loss though. I knew it was gonna pump. It's gonna keep on pumping. I wish I would have taken the trade. I just don't overtrade like that, guys. I get my wins and I walk. That's my staff. I pay him well. 100 goons pulling up to SNL. Guys, SPX is flying, boys. Guys, type a 5 in the chat. 5 in the chat if you took this SPX trade. I want to know who took this SPX trade. Who's in SPX longs? I want to know if it was just one guy or if there was multiple people. Nice. You guys 8, bro. That's good. $2% on US 30. You smoke weed. Oh God. Look at the gold. Look at gold now, boys. Look at gold, boys. SPX call out. Gold call out. Anybody in gold?
You hear me? This is a basketball. TJ,
And GU, I got clapped. Anybody in gold, bruh? You got it at the bottom. Two's in the chat if you're in gold. I want to know who's in gold. Look how perfect this fucking wedge played out. Energy's young to want to be famous. Impulse, correction, impulse. Impulse, correction, impulse. Very simple stuff. Just have to find where the impulses are. And because our news gave us this big bullish impulse, right? Everything else that we're having besides that is just a correction phase. All of this is a correction phase, right? So while we're in this correction phase, we're in a range. And many times in the stream we have called out, I called out actually this trade as well. Or was it this one? But it was when price was very bearish. I asked a bunch of people, do you guys like buys? And they were like, no, they like sells. I was like, well, I would take a buy. Why? Because we're at the bottom of a range. Whenever you're at the bottom of the range, just play out the range. You know, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. It's basic economics, right? And here we're at the bottom of the range, included with a 50 SMA, included with us on the smaller time frame showing impulse, correction, and this could still come downwards, maybe hit lower lows, but definitely this is a great trade that has very valid price action, and potentially still you guys could hop in it just better while the price comes downwards. The pattern plus it broke the 8 SMA 100%. Gotta go. All right, Luke, thank you so much for being a part of the fucking live stream. Have a great weekend. Great weekend. Shout out to Dark Water to for winning the VIP. Facts. Have a great one, boss. Yo, bro, do you do signals? Yes, I do signals. If you want to join my signals, you need to join the VIP, which is what we were doing giveaways on. You were in the giveaway for the signals. Didn't believe me, maybe look easy. Didn't really need me. I know she see me with TJ. Bum my whip through the spade race. Price is coming back down, which is now where it's actually going to give people a lot of opportunities to be able to hop in. Same stop loss. Bigger the stop loss, the better, truthfully. Love you guys. Gotta go. All right, guys. I'm also gonna start getting off stream. Guys, remember, if you guys want to be a part of the bullish lifestyle, if you want to be a part of the bullish lifestyle New York stream, guys, I will send the. Hopefully, you guys already got the link to that one, but I'll send you guys the link again. So there's a bullish lifestyle New York session stream that's with Miguel. Miguel has a very nice track record up to the moment. He is on a 7 to 8 win streak, calling out trades live. This is the next trade that I'm going to call out live. This is the entry already. We're at the entry right now. If this trade hits, we're going to fucking consider it one of the trades won for the signals. I'll type it out right now. It's the 1950. We'll consider it 75, where it is right now. W stream. Thank you guys so much. Let me send Miguel's. How do I? Somebody help me with the bullish lifestyle in Spanish link. So it's called Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish, but he's always talking in English also. Nonetheless, 1968 is fine. 1968, but make it to 1971. 1971, and then the stop loss on 1965. It's valid. It's valid. Let's copy this. Guys, if you guys want to join the Bullish Lifestyle New York stream, it's going to start in about like 30 minutes to max an hour. Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish stream, turn on post notifications right there. He's going to speak in English if you go in there and just start speaking in English. So just go in there and fucking ask him to fucking take a trade. He's on a 7-win streak right now. So he's potentially going to take another live trade. You guys can go and check that out. JZ Pips, I'm going to get to you right away. JZ Pips, I apologize. Thank you for your patience, brother. I literally am going to get to you right away. I won't miss it. I'm going to send you what I owe you on Bitcoin. Yeah, I have huge apologies. You can get that, or I can put you in the VIP. I could put you. Yeah, he also speaks Punjabi. I could put you in the VIP, JZ Pips. Join the VIP, JZ Pips. Make life easy for me. I'll give you the VIP where it's both. Well, where it's I'll give you the Spanish and the English. You got Miguel's trades and my trades. And Miguel's on an 8-win streak, 9-win streak. I'm on a fucking, I don't know what win streak you want to consider me on. But the VIP is for right there, guys. Instagram is right there. If you guys are new to the Discord is right there. Gang, thank you guys so much. What to do, AJ? My bad, AJ. AJ, you get offended when I don't say hi to you, brother. I love you, AJ. You the OG. You #1 OG. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend, boys. I'll be paying attention to the Discord. Oh my god, gold is going. Yes, sir. Look at SPX also. 2 amazing callouts. I'm gonna put gold on the spreadsheet. All right. Anything else, boys? That's it. All right, gang. Blessings to all you guys. Have a great weekend. Thank you guys for joining the live stream. We'll be live on Monday. And yeah, boys. Hopefully you guys got to eat. Don't blow any accounts. Try to join the New York session stream. I'll most likely join the New York session stream. Oh my god. No way, Kevin. Jesus Christ. Tamilius, see you, brother. Thank you so much for being a part of every live stream. See you, Saxy, on Monday. AJ. I'll see you and Miguel in New York. Oh shit, Tamilius. Tamilius with the gang. Yo, thank you. Yo, thank you guys so much for being fucking awesome, bro. Fucking love you guys so much. Jesus Christ. Alright, peace. Where's the, what do I need to do? I don't even know. The stream has ended. Peace out.
You can't catch us, so forget it.